And good morning!
Good morning!
Hello, guys!
Hello, Fryer! Hello, Nick! Hello, Snuti HQ!
And hello, Blooms!
Hello, Blooms!
Oh.
Am I missing anyone?
Yeah, and everyone else hanging out there this morning.
Yes,
Thank
good
you for
morning.
waiting for us. Sorry that we were delayed.
Yeah, we was still debugging.
It's intensive.
Yeah.
Do you see that I'm unshaven?
Yeah, that's how stressed Chris is. And good morning, Z!
This is what Game Jam does to you, right?
Yes. Winky's the only one who's chill.
And hello,
hello,
Timmy!
Timmy.
Of course,
Hello.
Timmy's here. I was chatting with her this morning. But yes.
Yes.
Should we just go for a kip?
Yeah, let's go for Kip. So
Alright.
everybody can watch this Kip instead. Yay!
I'm feeling pumped though, but we're having some issues.
The game doesn't finish.
We work, for those who don't know,
Can I just say good morning to the THQ? Yes, I did. I was just reading through everything.
since last stream we've been very busy working on our Game Jam game,
Yes, we
which
have.
is submitting in a couple of hours, except we just realized for the last, I don't know, day and a half,
Yeah,
we've at
this
least
is,
had a broken build and nobody noticed.
that it
And
doesn't get to the finishing line.
yeah, when you enter the finishing line and the race is supposed to finish, nothing happens and just throws some errors, but it doesn't happen in editor, but only in build.
So
And
make sure.
we can't debug this on stream, I don't think. So
Because we can't build
our teammates Nick and Z are
on the case.
on the case.
Yes.
Yeah, I have no idea
You have
how
no
to
idea.
debug it in the first place.
No, but it seems to be related, obviously, to the results. Because it manages to attach boats to the little buoys, but it doesn't manage to bring up the results.
Hey,
table.
should we play the
Just
game?
play the game so we can see.
And how are you guys doing this morning? Thank you for coming and joining us for the final chaos.
The final chaos.
You can maximize and play.
Oh, I didn't realize it wasn't maximized.
And you hear the nice music and atmosphere.
3, 2,
Let me know if the desk support is too loud.
go! I'm just gonna cheat like. Whee!
So there's a little game about sailboats where you're supposed to rig the race so that the race comes in the right order, but the weather is out to get you. So we interpreted the rewind team as re-wind.
Yep.
So you're repeatedly throwing wind around. You make a number 9 win, Claire?
Yeah, I'm making a number 9 win. Number 9 is the winner today.
Okay. The game is supposed to get the boats arrive in order 1, 2, 3, 4, etc.
But Claire doesn't do the order.
Boat 9, you're finished. Boat 6, finished.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go back and get all the other ones. What are you guys doing over here? Burning! No, come on!
So we can play the game in editor just fine. But nobody gets to play the final build unless you fix that bug.
Yep. I'm trying to get all the other ones.
It's very nice, the sound effects that Z was working on last night.
Oh yeah, the little like.
So the tornadoes and the storms you see, Z's been making all of those. Nick's been programming all the UI for the game. It's a lot of UI in this game. I've been modeling all assets.
I've been making all the UI design and
Boat 1,
everything. and
finished. Boat
all of the
4,
sound effects.
Kinda finished. Boat 5, finished.
Missing number
Boat
8.
2, finished. Boat
And number
3,
7.
finished.
To 8 first, he's fell us away. Poor guy.
Ah, he's getting there. See, I'm still slow at this game. It's crazy. Chris is like, oh, you're supposed to do it this way. I don't. Yeah.
To see me play it. I managed to complete it in 32 seconds yesterday.
Guys.
But obviously in the wrong order, so I didn't get the good score.
Boat 7, finished. Boat 8, you gone a bit slow.
Yeah, you both 8 was going a bit slow.
I know it was. I was. It was very appropriate. I managed to get 2 in order though, in the correct position, and then everything else failed. I got a time bonus, at least for number 1, 2, and 3. But I suck at
Nick
everything
says,
else.
it's fine, that's the in-sequence audio thing working. Well, yeah, everything works in the editor, Nick. We just
But nothing else.
doesn't work in the build. Yeah.
So yeah.
We're
Gonna
getting
see.
some Discord messages coming in now saying about some null reference.
AI boat
Exceptions.
controller.
Z and Nick's busy debugging. Yeah, I'll leave it.
I'll leave that. It's on trigger enter. AI boat controller. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. The voices are confusing. I can't tell if it's Stream Claire or Game Claire talking.
Yeah, that's a bit of both.
It adds the element of surprise, Fryer. You got to figure it out.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's fine as about the audio. Yeah, the audio works, so that's awesome. There's a time between those messages.
Yeah, the debouncing. That works. Nick did that yesterday.
Oh, I don't know whether it was the messages in Twitch he was talking about, or whether he was talking about the...
I'm not sure.
We're not sure. We're not sure anymore.
Sorry, we need things in context for this function.
So yeah. So we gotta...
Anybody else in stream who's been participating in the jam? Or are you all just here to watch us fail spectacularly?
Fail spectacularly. Woo!
As we're going to be trying to submit our jam entry.
They're just like, what's the pips? We need more pips!
Nick's talking about the chat.
Yeah.
Oh, he says there was a time between the messages up above. Okay, sorry, Nick. Yeah.
Does something have a boot tag that should not?
That's a good question. I don't think so, Z.
Well, I don't know.
I don't think we should be debugging this.
I don't think we should be debugging.
Yeah, because whatever debug we do live here is just going to make things worse.
Yeah, so you had an idea.
I'm going to trust our teammates that we're going to manage to get this finished.
I think so. I hope so. Oh, this is all of the errors we've been researching.
Yeah, okay. Let's close
that up. Let's close that up. We've got lots of other stuff here instead.
Yeah, you can pull that in.
We wanted to use Notion, but teammates decided, no, Trello it is, so we used Trello this time around.
Click.
Sorry, guys. Oh,
click.
This is dark mode.
No, not that one. Well, okay, fine.
Don't dark mode. There you go.
But the maximize button.
Oh, the Maximus buttons.
Yeah, and then the zoom in button so we can actually read stuff.
Thank you for the follow, Nyano Cat. Nyano Cat? Nyano Cat, yeah.
Thank you for the follow. So, we have a lot of bugs still. But I think only this one.
Fire. I'm not in the jam, but watching live debugging disasters sounds fun.
Welcome to Snit Stream today.
The Snuti stream. Did I see Brackey somewhere in there? Yes, we are participating.
This is the Brackey's jam. Game jam.
Yeah.
And let's just go on to the itch page for it, right? Right? Because then we can get a sense for the countdown that's happening.
Jams, if you go into jammy jams.
Click on jams.
Not strawberry jams, no strawberry jams, guys. I'm watching you. Isn't it supposed to be here?
It's supposed to be on the top here.
It's probably because it's ending soon, that might be why. This is far right.
Okay. Where? Brackey.
There you go.
There it is. Right in front of our little noses.
Right in front of our noses. Only 3 hours and 41 minutes, just say.
We were hoping to have a build published yesterday that was fully functioning.
And nobody decided to test it.
So we had a fallback, and we didn't test it properly. So we didn't know until this morning.
Yeah. I think I'll skip streaming the puppy to you guys and just go to the office to see if I can fix this. Probably was idea. Yeah. Morris and Winky said I'll wait now.
Change your plans, Nick. I'm so sorry. What do we expect? It's a bloody game jam.
I think last night you guys should have been focusing on making sure the build actually functioned.
We should have been testing more instead of implementing new features, you mean?
Yes.
So there's high scoring?
That's what I mentioned. That's what I mentioned, but this did not happen.
Thank you, Nick, for being the emergency and heading over to the office right now to...
no idea.
Yeah. He abandoning his family, his new puppy. Nick has a new puppy.
There's a new puppy.
And
that's why
I bet his wife is pissed off with us. I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Ooh, like a game contest kind of. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Game jams are where you just try and make a game in a short amount of time, and it's normally a lot of fun, also very stressful. So just be aware of that.
Yes, highly recommend them, and especially bring a good team along because it's been amazing working with Z and Nick. You guys have been epic, amazing. And Z's not writing in chat right now because he's so busy debugging, but he's listening to the stream. I know you are, so I hope you're having a good cup of coffee.
He's probably crying, and I'm like, no. And I'm like, don't worry, Z. I'll make sure to add in lots of little sharks with laser beams in the game next time.
And I just want to do this while we're talking about this.
Yeah.
Here, Nick has been streaming.
Oi.
I just want to go to his Twitch. The last few days, every evening, he's been at the office streaming the jam.
Yes.
So be sure to drop a follow to Nick as well, as he's just starting out on Twitch.
Yep.
And he's enjoying his game dev streaming.
I stayed late to fix extra things for Christy yesterday. And Z's like, I'm listening.
Yeah. These guys are like, pamper it on me. Say more. Yeah, so yeah, okay. Plug in Nick. I'm going to drop that in chat. There you go. Okay, where were we?
What we were going to be doing. We were going to decide what we were going to do.
So the theme for the jam was rewind, and
yeah,
I talked about that already.
That's a very colourful shirt. It is.
Yes, it's my Cardiff.
Yeah, Cardiff.
It's where Claire's from. Claire's from Cardiff.
So the thing is whenever we go to the UK, which we haven't gone this year, which makes me really upset.
Yeah.
We like to go into one of the shops there called Primark, and they always have colourful T-shirts and everything. And over here in Norway, for some reason, colour is just like, yeah, it wasn't in at the time. So
I really like my colours.
Yeah. So when we went in the UK last time, we just bought lots of colourful T-shirts.
Yeah. I mean, can't you tell I like my colours?
I mean, yeah, Chris
I
is the one
decided to design the entire game around 3 materials.
and a nice ocean.
Oh, okay, there's a bit more than 3 materials, but like 3 primary materials. There's rock, there's grass, and there's beach. And then, obviously, my ocean shader. Man, I'm really happy with this. What I find fascinating about this...
Oh, and your little boats as well. Your little boats are really cute.
Yes, they're cute.
We made little boats from scratch.
But this ocean shader, what I find fascinating, it's just a sine wave. And I never thought you could make a nice looking ocean with just a sine wave. I have a taper off into the distance, so it actually disappears off there, and you only see the waves down below you. And it's like, yeah, lots of fancy stuff going on for this ocean shader. I'm really happy with it.
And it was very basic, you know, because with Mr. Pips, it's a lot more complicated.
Yeah, and also the ability to draw in a path on the ocean was important for us, because this is obviously the race path, so I had to make a texture here.
Guess what we were inspired by? Age of Empires.
Age of Empires. Yeah, shallow and deep waters in Age of Empires was the inspiration here. Right.
Thanks for the bug, Krister. 30 now. Yay.
No problem. What is 30?
30 more followers to hit affiliate.
Oh, Nick.
Yeah.
Nick, that's awesome.
Where's Miffins?
I didn't see the photo. Oh, okay, I see the message now.
Miffins is gone.
And he's
he's underneath. He's underneath the chair.
He's right below the chair.
Okay, okay.
He's trying to be close to us for moral support.
What do we want to do then? We didn't get it.
I want to do environmental design, because that's something we can't break the game with.
Yeah.
And then I'll just trust that the other bug we have will be fixed.
Yeah.
Because I don't think I want to do any more programming or breaking of the game. But environment, that's feasible. So I can do some Blender.
Let's do some Blender.
Yeah.
Should we open a Blender?
Does Stream agree?
Or do you want Pips instead?
Does Nick and Z also agree that I can do environmental design on stream today?
Everyone's will be like, no, Pips, where are Pips? What will happen to us? Not lighthouses. Lighthouses are boring.
Okay, we need to not do this. Let's see here. Lighthouse, low poly. Let's find some references.
Today is a model in streams. This quiz stuff.
Here we go.
Oh, that was a really cute one on the right as well.
This one?
Oh, yeah.
Do you want the lighthouse with the extra building, or do you want the lighthouse? I think that's better with that type of base.
I think so, yeah, definitely.
Oh, we need blue windows. Okay, so it needs 3 colors. It needs the white, the red. The red we have from the
red
blues.
We have. White I think we already have as well.
It does need the window shader.
It does work wonders for players to tell them what to do. I'm not confused what you're trying to say, Nick. We're supposed to be telling our Twitch viewers?
Maybe the tutorial. Maybe it's how somebody played the game or something. Because
but it doesn't finish. Time taxes down to huge collider that breaks
Friday just had to come up with one way we could break the game with environment. I love it. Thank you, Fry.
I think everybody would scream.
That's an odd shape.
Yeah, that one's a normal shape.
I think it's too massive.
It's too massive. I think I like the first one, actually.
Yeah.
And we've got all those jaggedy rocky things, so...
Okay, I think... Oh, that's like a Norwegian one.
Oh, that it is. But that's way more complicated.
We're not doing a Norwegian one.
Norwegian lighthouses are... No.
We have some really nice ones there. But, I mean, most places have some really nice ones running about.
Whoops.
This one is more complex, has a door and everything. I think we skip that. Has windows. No, I think we're going to go for this.
That one, yeah.
Yeah.
And thank you for the follow, VSL Dev.
Hey, thank you. Awesome. Okay, we got that reference.
The water delay. I'm on tide delay. I vote we make a dragon. Now Z! Since you added in the thunderstorms, I wouldn't be surprised if I just saw this random dragon coming into the sea.
It's never too early in the morning for dragons and jokes for sea.
And thank you for the follow, Himada Panda.
Thank you.
Cosmetic lighthouse skin loot. boxes.
It's this. Hello, Spoony. How you doing? No. Oh, you guys.
Oh, DLC. How about a panda dragon? We're loving these ideas, guys.
We
Roll
have
in.
one already, guys.
Do we have a panda dragon?
That's our panda
that's
dragon.
a panda dragon. She doesn't do breathing in fire. Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning, Minky. Nobody has done Doggo Snuggles this morning.
Oh no.
The doggos are upset. They're crying.
Oh yeah, they're sobbing.
Yeah.
Sobful.
See, she's upset now. She's like, what?
Let's do
And
some.
hello, Shy Ryan.
Hello, Shy Ryan. How you doing today?
Oh, see, Fryer, you're my best friend.
Ah.
You're my best friend today. Oh, and Shy Ryan is a double whammy.
Double whammy.
Oh, and Winky has popped up. Maurice, come back. What are you? Oh, Dad.
Yeah, he's below here.
Come in. Come in.
You can
So
leave.
disorientated dog right now. Hello. You want snuggles? Yeah. Hello. Good morning, you guys. Everybody wants doggo snuggles. Oh yeah, I love my doggo snuggles. Let's take over. Oh yeah, doggo snuggles. Oh yo. Okay, sorry, Winky. I didn't mean to not give you snuggles. Oh no. What was it? Winky doesn't have a good view.
Thank you, Himada Panda.
Cute.
Hope everyone else there is having a good time this morning. Nick just messaged me on Discord saying he's in the office, which means bug fixing time. Thank you, Nick. I'm so glad that you're on our team to help us out right now.
About the debugs, the bugs. He wants a proper build. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to forget. Oh, Morris is like, oh no. You're a grumpy old man today, Morris, aren't you? Oh, yeah, you are. Yeah.
Oh, did you do that thing? The jam thing? Yeah, we did the jam thing. That's correct. Hello, Shy Ryan. For those who are just joining us right now, we participated in Brackey's game jam, and we've made a game which we thought was finished and ready to be submitted, except we discovered a bug we can't seem to figure out. Like I can show my laptop screen right now, and it's as you can see here, lots of null references and things which only happens in the build and not in the editor, and weird bugs we've been trying to figure out. But we're working in a team with Nick and Z, so they are on the case for trying to help us fix this reference exception, so we can submit our jam entry. Because only how many hours until submission time?
3 hours and probably 30 minutes.
Okay.
The top health, get on. Okay, there you go. Now I'm back in the chair.
You're back in business.
Back in business.
All right.
Back in business.
So yeah, ask any question if you want. Our game is over here. We played a little bit.
The game is over here.
Played a little bit earlier, but right now I'm going to add some lighthouses because I really want to,
add some environment.
Spice up our environment a little bit.
So we can't do anything else.
I don't want to touch the bugs that they are going to be working with while on stream. I would like to do something which can't break the game. Apart from Fryer said that this can still break the game.
Oh, it's to do with the live tracker. It's not loading. This is the bug you were having randomly in the...
Yeah, in the editor.
In the editor.
But it kind of went away after we merged scenes.
Okay.
I think. I saw it a little bit after that as well. Oh well, no bugs, only surprise mechanics.
I'm gonna find it on trigger enter. It's not such it. No bugs, only surprise mechanics. It's gonna be like, well, you played the game, but at the end of the day, you couldn't finish it. That's why it's called rewind. It's rewound to the that the game doesn't function anymore.
So we're gonna try to make this. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8-sided cylinder.
It's not even a cylinder. That's like an octagon.
That's actually correct. It's an octagon.
It's an octagon.
Let's see if Blender has an octagon shape. Let me test. Oh, I made an octagon.
We made an octagon.
Right? I think that's... No, wait a second. This is not the right...
Octinder. I can't remember what a 7 one is. Is it pentagon? That's pentagon. I think it's number 7.
Why am I...
No?
1, 2, 3. I think it's correct. It's just orientation of it is a bit weird for me. Okay. I'm gonna say this is good enough.
It's not a bug, it's a feature. Maybe some DLC. The real game was the bugs we made along the way. Yes.
I like how you guys are so positive about this.
Just circle with limited faces. That's right.
When he's like, what do you mean? What do you mean?
I think I need to have the reference up on the laptop screen.
Yeah, I think so.
Can we find this lighthouse on the laptop so I have something to look at?
Oh, you know who we should have had here?
Hmm?
Oh, what's his name again? Oh,
Where?
the dude on Twitter that always has octopus icon.
Oh,
Oh. I know it's
Dojin.
Dojin Dev, yes.
Dojin
Dojin Dev should have been on the stream today, and then he'd be like, octopuses! Yeah, he loves his octopuses. Octagon? Cthulhugon? Pregnancy brain. My wife has that. Yes, I have that.
And I don't think game jams and pregnancies are recommended.
No, highly not recommended, especially not if you're in your 8th month. No.
Yeah, 8th month. Yeah.
Yep, that's not recommended.
Oof. This girl, she was like, "We gotta do this. This is our final chance." I was like, "Yeah, okay, fine, we will do it. Are you sure you'll be okay?"
Yeah, no.
He wrote had.
Oh,
Please
okay.
God, I hope she's not pregnant again. 3 kids is enough. That's funny.
Yeah, 3 kids is enough. But we're just gonna have 1 for the time being, and then we'll go from there. But,
actually, I will make
it
this.
sounds like a lot with 3.
I'll do this.
Basically, we keep being recommended by people that you shouldn't have 3 kids.
Oh yeah.
Less is more, right? But 3 isn't a power of 2.
How tall should the lighthouse be?
Are you gonna put some?
Oh yeah, that which means I need to model each of the steps. Oh, could I?
No, you don't need to. You can just use the Divian tool thingy majiggy.
Yeah.
The what's it called again?
Insert loop cut.
Loop cut. That was it. This is
How
my brain.
tapered should it be? Like that much?
Yeah, very subtle. Very subtle.
A little bit less.
We're a prime number family.
Oh, what
I
a
like
cute
that.
family. Okay, I'm gonna actually increase the scale a little bit of everything in that direction. I
Just
think.
add some mini pips in there too, and then job done.
Also, should we maybe do the short lighthouses? We have
Yes,
those
we
in
can
Norway.
we
Wait
can
a second.
actually see it. Short lighthouse.
I had it from. What is the Norwegian name of lighthouse?
Lyshus.
Fyrtårn. Not Lyshus. We call it fire tower.
I'll just directly translate it to lighthouse.
I love directly translating stuff. Let's see what we get.
I love how you got nothing.
Okay.
I think you spelled it incorrectly. Don't think it has an S in it. There you go. When Claire corrects Chris, it's Norwegian. Oh yeah. Light bungalow. Oh, that sounds really cute. I want a light bungalow. Would you have a light bungalow in your game, Spoonie? Because don't you have a lighthouse in your game?
That's a lot of fancy one.
Oh, those are fancy.
I think we gotta go with maybe the simplistic one.
Yeah, I think so, but we can go for a squat one.
Yeah.
Go for
Because I see this height, for example, right? This is a bit cute height.
Yeah, that is a cute height. I like that height.
Right? That combined with this.
Yeah.
Right. Then we
Let's go with it. Spoonie said he doesn't have a lighthouse in his game yet.
Oh, he's planning for that. Yeah, because Spoonie's working on a really cool game with like little islands and you should follow him on Twitter. You're welcome to drop your link to Twitter, Spoonie.
Or YouTube. I think he posts.
Yeah, YouTube as
on
well.
YouTube
Sorry.
It is devlogies.
Yes.
Devlogies. Not devlogies. Devlogies.
Is that 2 squat? That's maybe 2 squat.
It fits the style. It's minimalistic. I feel like I don't have the keyboard today.
No, you don't.
Chris has hijacked it.
Well, for a good reason.
For good reason. Anything.
Okay. It's happening. Slowly but surely, this lighthouse is going together. Really complicated model,
It
guys.
seems like they may have fixed it, but they're not going to jinx it.
Oh, right, exciting. Let's look at Discord.
Have they pushed the web? Have they made a build, guys?
Oh, I am on the laptop. Sorry, guys. I forgot that. Go tell chat. What is this? Oh, that's good.
Good morning, Donflet!
What was the problem, guys?
I don't know.
Revert the hack? I saw something called a hack in the code this morning. I was just going through trying to look at, like, debugging it myself.
I'm
I said,
rewriting stuff. Did you test? Not yet.
okay, you guys are awesome. Go grab some cereal.
Make a WebGL build and tell us if it works, guys.
Yeah, do that.
So, good morning, Donflet! We had a family trip to look
To Plymouth.
across Plymouth Sound to see Smeaton's Tower yesterday.
Ooh.
That sounds really nice.
I never heard about
We
Smeaton
need to
Towers.
research that because I don't know that one. No.
Let's investigate what Smeaton Towers is.
So revert and stay with the hack. Sounds promising. Since Spoonie said, "What is a Smeaton's Tower?" We need to research it.
Smeaton's what?
Smeaton's Tower. Am I saying?
Oh
it?
yeah, I'm looking it up right now.
Okay. The live tracker reference wasn't set properly. Its start was run before the live tracker was enabled. The hack is equal to finding it in on trigger enter if it's not set. Live tracker starts enabled but gets disabled. Might also run after it is disabled.
Did anybody understand that? Because I didn't, and I worked on this game for a week.
Super classic lighthouse. It is this lighthouse. That looks beautiful.
That's the one we're modeling.
That's the one we're modeling.
Well, okay.
Wow, no,
This
we're
is a
making
bit
it
too
super
high poly.
basic.
Yeah,
This is a real life lighthouse.
that's a really nice picture of it.
That's really nice, yeah.
I mean, a bit HDR-y, but
Bit HDR.
Oh, okay. That's a really nice tower on it. Very
really
traditional
nice, yeah.
windows, and I really like
love the colours.
The finish on the top. Very nice detail.
Fryer says cached reference to thingy. Got it. Because apparently Z and Nick understood what the problem was.
Should we use the thingy jar?
We should use the thingy jar.
Fryer, we're putting you in the thingy jar.
I just see like this cat now, just like meow.
Okay,
So you should.
we should switch places today.
We should places today. We should. Come on, Chris, let's switch. No, okay.
Okay. No, we
Where's
like
this?
crossing over a bit. It's fine.
Oh, and Shy Ryan said, whenever I go home, we visit Peggy's Cove. Check that one out. That looks really nice.
That's a magical place.
That is a shorter lighthouse.
That's a stumpy one.
It's a stumpy lighthouse.
Oh, and it's sided. Is it 6-sided?
Is it a... What was the 6-sided one again?
Hexagon?
I think it is. 'Cause I think
Yeah.
Pentagon's number 7. Looks really nice. We're just looking at lighthouses today. That's game dev, right? Lighthousing.
Good references.
Penta is 5.
Exactly. Claire knows her numbers.
You were the one who said Pentagon.
No, that was you.
Oh, did I say Pentagon? Oh, shoot.
It's
Damn
fine.
it. It's all these Latin words.
It's too early in the morning, guys.
Yes.
Or we've been lacking some sleep lately. You could
We've
say.
been lacking some sleep, yes.
But
I had 4 hours last night.
after seeing this house, I think ours got too many sides.
Chris Sturz was like, we need to down it.
Yeah, I think I do. I'm not happy.
Winky's also not happy. She's just like,
I'm gonna look away from your screen, quite embarrassed, and you're looking.
Smeaton's Tower, a major step forward in lighthouse design. Smeaton's structure was in use from 1959 to 1877. That's really interesting. I didn't even know it was built in 1759. Wow. Doesn't look like it. Hello, Moritz. Moritz seems to be attached to your chair today.
Yes, he wants to be our mold support. He knows we're distressed.
Distressed. Distressed or stressed? De-stressed? Stressed?
Okay, I like about this design here is that it has that little tapered wings coming out of it.
On the top, you mean?
Yeah, so it's
Yeah.
not just like a straight thing. It's like it's like
It's like a bit
rounded.
like that.
That's really nice.
I should just do all the sound effects.
And
I did do all the sound effects.
look at
pretty
that.
much. It's even like... Oh, that is really neat. It's like a little bit like jittery on the side.
But the top has more sides than the building.
Well, that's because that's where the light
Or
is
is the
itself.
building 7-sided? I don't know. We're going with 6-sided.
I think Chris is thinking too much about the sides right now. A little white paint with red accents goes a long way to make it timeless. That is true. That is true.
You need to update the paint though, because that gets pretty fast old.
Oh man, yeah. That it does. I hadn't thought about that. Like a flare.
I think I'm not gonna spend more polygons on that actually.
Shy Ryan is like, man, you're good at this 3D stuff. I wish I could do that.
This is pretty basic, but thank you. I'll appreciate the
Chris
compliment.
is very, very, very good at his shortcuts. I'm still really slow.
I mean, I'm just pressing extrude and scale and extrude and scale. And I mean, like, this is such an easy...
But you're very good at doing it where you make sure you do it on the right axis, like the Z axis. Yeah. I keep messing them up all the time, and I'm just like, press until I get it.
And you can press, like, often I do Shift Z, so you only do, like, lock one axis and not the other and things like that. That's pretty neat, just learning those shortcuts.
Shy Ryan, you should check out Infensa on YouTube. It would take me a week to do that.
I think I've heard about Infensa.
And good morning, Oscar M. Hello.
I'm trying to make the centerpiece a little bit slimmer. Yeah, there you go.
It has to be slimmer, yeah.
That's a good ratio.
I think we're making a candlestick.
We need to make the bottom part of the house chubbier.
Yes, we do.
Okay, that's fine. But I think this is tall enough. I'll select the rest of the building. Scale on Shift Z. There we go, see? Has a bit more mass to it now. Now I can go a bit in on that axis. There.
We use one of the audio things in our game from Infensa. He's an audio designer engineer by trade, but he's been doing Blender for years and done 10-minute modeling. I did not know.
Thank you, Nick, for filling in the details. I should have known this probably. Yeah.
Extrude the octagon.
Yes. That's right.
I love this old emojis fire. Why not add the reference image inside Blender?
Because the reference image is on my laptop and it will take too many steps to do when,
Chris got lazy.
And I don't want it to be an exact copy neither.
No, we're making a squat copy.
And also I'm probably going to do at the end of this is just make all the edges a bit wobbly.
A bit wobbly?
Yeah, a bit wobbly.
A bit wibbly wobbly. Ah. Yeah, you need to... Wait. Okay, we're making it. Okay, you can make it out a little bit flatter. There you go. Then extrude it again, and good to go. And thank you for the follow, Oscar M.
Thank you. Should we add the detail on the topper, like?
I don't think that's gonna be very visible.
Is that too detailed?
That's too detailed, I think. I mean, okay, you can leave it like that. It looks like.
I'll do merge at center. Merge.
Center.
At center. There we go. Think.
Just like not happy. I'm not happy with this. I like the fact the stream actually does see like the difference between the two.
Yeah.
You know, with our screen on the left and everything. What is everybody up to this morning? We're just making a lighthouse because it's cool. Lighthouses are cool.
That they are.
We're making cool lighthouses, and everybody else in the chat agrees. Lighthouses are cool. We should make a poll. Is lighthouses cool?
There we go.
Lighthouses for the win. Says
for the win.
Nerdy kilt? Is it nerdy kilt? Yeah. And Zia Mia stressing behind the scenes.
Yeah, I bet you guys are. I've been stressing. I was up really early this morning fixing those bugs. I'll take my break now. How do you do in Blender?
We were freaking out pre-stream, like running around the house. Literally just like our little boats right now in the game, which go around with fire coming out of their butts, courtesy of Z.
Yes.
I was freaking out at home when I was That's exactly what I was trying to prevent yesterday. Yeah. Build still failing.
Build still failing, so they celebrated too early, did I?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try not to think too much about this.
Maybe just ask Chris to pull and build. Not during stream.
I can't. The entire computer freezes when I build.
Do it, yeah. So we're not doing that.
Like, yeah. Sorry, guys, I can't build on stream. but I'm pretty sure you can do the build. Man, game jams are tough.
Game jams are tough, man.
They really, really are.
I love all the puns here. You know, lighthouses are lit. Are lighthouses cool? A, yes, or B, hell yeah.
Okay, what about we do...
B got converted to shades mode. Did that seriously happen? And good morning, Frozen Well. Only octagon lighthouses are cool. Other lighthouses are imposters. Well, I could actually do a build on my PC, but I don't know whether I have everything.
But can't our other team members do it?
I think Z had problems with his.
Alright, really? But yeah, you need to install the components. But I'm rolling a poll right now. So now, how cool are lighthouses? Type 1, 2, 3, or 4 in chat to cast your votes.
Yes, converted to shades. Man, lit.
9!
9! Okay.
Yes, try Ryan is going with lit. We got our first vote in. Okay, let's continue modeling. How tall should those windows be? Quite like this, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Like that?
Yeah. I think that's
fine. Should I make them narrower? I think...
No, I think they're fine. Don't make them too narrow, because it looks weird.
Okay, then we need to insert here. How many? We're just doing one band, probably.
Yeah, I think so. Let's make it as low poly as possible.
Loop cut here. And how do you do multiple loops again?
Isn't it like shift and scroll or something like that?
That's not working. Control scroll.
Control scroll.
Alt scroll. Other alt scroll. Shift scroll.
Z scroll. It is something scroll.
Okay, we can do this and that. And then I can select those edges and grab them along the axis.
Vote close. Only 2 people voted.
No.
But it went for lit and converted shades. So yeah, love how simple your polls are, by the way. Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, I programmed that completely myself. Pretty much myself. It started off the base widget which you get from Stream Elements, which is pretty poor.
But we had too many problems with the actual Twitch poll that it never came up for most people, so we gave up with that.
Found this poll is a bit better.
Contrary to popular belief, lighthouses are actually really heavy. Are they?
I bet they have to withstand storms, so they're probably made to
But Krister's Blender model isn't very heavy.
Wow.
That's only,
How many vertices?
109 vertices. It's very...
Talking of which, maybe we should save it.
Yeah, probably should save it.
Okay, let's go with this.
Let's not have more crises.
Lighthouse.blend. Okay, I was selecting this loop, which I didn't want to select. There we go. Start there. What is team saying?
They're just trying another WebGL build.
Okay, thank you guys for trying. It takes like 10-15 minutes to do a WebGL build.
Yeah, but we want to do WebGL so that everybody else can play it.
Do you like that?
That looks really sweet. I like it.
Okay. Do you like the platform? Do I need to do anything more to that?
Nah, I don't think so. I think that's fine.
I think I want to taper it a little bit more.
You can taper it then.
I'll go.
Do you do the scroll thing before clicking? It's been a while since I did 3D. I don't know.
Yeah.
Can't remember. I did do it loads when I was, doing Blender all the time, and I was like, me, scrolly scroll.
I'm doing this the wrong way.
You're totally doing it the wrong way.
Okay, let's go for side view here and change the. Oh, it's hard to change tapering now. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o.
Looking spiffing, Snuti HQ. Thank you, Nick.
Thank you.
Now make 4 more lighthouses, and you'll have a full chess set. Yay! You'll be a lighthouse chess set. Whee! That was a nice one. Missed that one.
Let's see. There we go. I want to select that and then scale that in a bit.
You did it.
Yeah, but you see the tapering is off now. But I think I kind of like it. So if we scale this one back out again. Yeah, so it's not like a smooth.
Oh, that looks sweet.
Even better.
We like this.
Yeah, there we go. Happy?
Yeah, I like it. Krista was the one who made all of the nice little boats.
I was just wondering if we should... isn't there like something we can do to make it a bit wobbly? Not decimate it.
I just decimate.
We could do a simple deform.
Okay, do a simple default.
Where's that again?
I just saw a simple default right there.
There it is, yeah. There we go.
Whoa, that is a really wobbly lighthouse. Oh my. What on earth are you doing, Krister?
It adds to the model.
It adds to the. Now I just need the animation of going.
Okay, I'm wondering if this is the best one, because here you can like make it like slightly off
Why are we
kilter.
making it like slightly wobbly? I don't know.
It gives it personality, right? To have that little bit of distortion on it.
Okay.
Can also do the slight bend. I don't think the
Oscar,
bend.
what next? You're gonna tell me lighthouses aren't made of light?
Oh.
I was leaning to the left quite a bit. The wind is so strong it bent the lighthouses. What horror game are you making?
Okay, we need to do all the materials. Should we do that quickly?
Yes, we should do that.
So if you go into materials, we need 3 materials.
Why do we need 3? White.
Red.
Red. Oh, and the windows. I forgot the windows is. Lighthouses equal light version of normal houses. Oh.
That is cute. Okay, should we only have that being red?
Yeah, I think so, because we only have,
And the
That's
top
good one.
of the house as well.
Make it have bones and animated bending in the wind for the win. That would be a nice addition.
Let's see. And we can... Plus. Did that select everything I wanted?
I think it did. No, you don't have the ones at the bottom. Those
Okay,
ones.
we can fix that.
Let's get those out.
This is a nice relaxing morning before the jam entry.
And I'm not quite sure Nick and Z quite agree.
Don't you guys think?
And have a winner's parade where the lighthouses line up and bow for contestants that face the epic storm. Nick, I feel this is feature creep again.
We were thinking yesterday, Z sent a picture. Okay, I'm going to pull up this picture. No, he didn't send a picture, but he sent a message and I screenshotted it because I was just like...
Yes, it was a very good screen.
Here's the quote of the day, guys. Quote of the day. While thinking, feature.creep++. Solution, stop thinking. So yeah, that's the new motto. Thank you, Z, for bringing this to our day.
High poly equals lighthouse. Low poly equals a lighthouse.
Oh, that is deep, man.
That's a good one. Why stop there? Give it legs and make it an Olympics sprint. Oh my gosh.
While thinking, ++ feature creep.
I like how you think, man. And Nick seems to really like you, nerdy kilt.
Yeah.
We've got the next game jam in the making, right?
Haven't finished even the current one. Okay, let's just see that.
What we need to see now is someone needs to come up with a game jam. And so anybody who makes jams here,
There we go. Are we happy with the lighthouse?
we like it. You have to now come up with a game jam which is called Lighthouse, spelt the way that Spoonie put it, as in a low poly lighthouse.
Oh, we
me
can
see that
delete
happen.
this face. Delete faces.
Faces. Woohoo! And now it is 109 vertices and 108 faces.
Should we make the bottom section of it red or not?
No, it wouldn't be red.
No, it's supposed to be white? Yeah.
It's supposed to be white.
Okay, then I think we have our lighthouse.
They're building a WebGL here as well.
Okay,
Concrete. It needs to be concrete color.
close enough. We're not going to have more materials in the game. So I'm going to replace all of these colors, which I just pull them out like that, just to have some illustration, and then I'm going to get this into Unity.
Build's taking forever. Might be a good sign. Jinx.
Yeah, build does take a long time, guys. So it's awesome. Nick and Z, you're amazing teammates on this game jam.
We did try to debug all this morning and it did not go well.
Yeah, I realized this was out of my league.
The next Hagio Comedy Lighthouse game. HDR and make it ultra bright. And thank you, SnutiBot. Tell us what you're up to today. Working on anything cool, taking it easy, say hi and let us know. I love the SnutiBot. They're always very contributing.
Anybody else hanging out here, doing the jam or working on something creative, please let us know.
Yeah.
We would like to. Oh, we're getting all the love. Thank you,
Why
Nick.
is there a
and Z.
+1 there? Because it couldn't fit enough emojis there?
He just wanted to overdo Z.
Oh, okay.
He wanted to do one more.
+1 more, yeah.
Always being. And hello,
And
help.
help is here. Help can help us with our web build.
Help. I'm glad you're here because we're going to submit this game to the game jam and it's not building. So welcome. I hope you're doing well.
I made
having
an
a nice
animated
morning.
master ball today. What did you animate it in?
Ooh, fancy.
3D, pixel art. Sounds neat.
Yeah.
He had to see. He had to.
Look at this.
Oh, look at that! You need to have that right. Is that an obstacle?
I'm gonna place it right here. Okay, I need to redo the materials for it.
Nerdy Kilt made it in Blender. That is awesome.
Let's see, materials.
I'm working on a streamer song bot and website on streams on the weekend. That's super neat. Shy Ryan. That looks amazing. I guess you're talking about that, didn't I?
Thank you. I'll take the compliment.
It looks cute. Oh, everyone likes your lighthouse, Krister.
Thank you. Let's see, environment. I'm gonna prefab that there.
Prefab. I don't know the best program to animate in. Well, we've been doing some of our I'm trying that. We've been doing some of our animations in Blender, but we always really struggle at doing that. So we envy everyone who does it. We've decided that we also need to make a Mr. Pips. Like, what?
You can't put an ocean shader on the window glass?
No, you cannot do an ocean shader
That's
on
the
the
closest thing
window
I
glass.
had on hand. Can we do wood instead? Or silver? Ooh, maybe the lighthouse should be silver color. No, we're not going to do
No,
silver.
we're not doing silver.
Or a grass colored. Okay, I need to make
Yay! Grass colored.
I need to make a blue color here.
Are you snoring? She's currently snuggling Moritz in his bed.
Oh.
As usual. Now we just needed to dance.
Hold your horses, guys. Hold your horses.
just take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow.
Should we use transparency here? No, we should not. We should not use transparency. But we can use like.
No,
What
don't
is
use
a good way?
transparency. I always have problems with that.
But what's a good? Because obviously we haven't modeled the inside of it, so transparency would be no good. But what's a good way to make this look like a window? Can I make like specular map? Something?
Uploading says Z.
It looks nice the way
That
it
looks
is.
nice.
Let's see. I'm just gonna Windows. Does this have any effect? Smoothness. Specular map. Just turn it white.
Need a
Ooh.
gradient. Need a gradient. Everyone loves gradients.
Here we go. I feel that's giving a bit of a window feel there.
Yeah. Are we gonna throw it on every single island?
It's gonna. I think maybe 3 lighthouses in the game.
Yeah. Reflective.
Wow.
Can you do reflective?
It's
shadows.
you know, we don't actually have reflection maps in the game. I mean,
so
that's
it might not work out. Decrease alpha.
no, because
Then you'll see through it.
see through it. There's no nothing to look at.
Oh, there's a start button down there.
Oh yeah, you got to start.
Oh yeah, so you can actually see in it.
All right. It's a bit more sizable than I expected it.
Black did it. It's fine. Lighthouses need to be big. Leave it an empty hole and it'll be okay.
Yeah, I think what we got there is fine then. Okay, question is, do I want it? No, I don't want it
But
there.
we want to have it in the view though.
I want. Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So
Okay.
now it's in the background of the menu because here's the menu.
Ah, Crystal wants to have it in the background of the menu.
Yeah. Do we want it there?
We want it there. We want it there, definitely. Yeah.
Okay. So then
I
it's
like
in the
that there. We like it there.
and then
Chris's mouse controller today. Are we gonna put it at an angle?
yeah, I did actually angle it a little bit. See.
Oh, maybe we should put it more angled.
Then we're making the dancing lighthouse again. I think we're fine with the current angle.
Does stream agree?
Should we do another vote? How angled is the lighthouse? No, we're not doing that. Okay, let's play the
I'm
game.
expecting lots of cry emojis, guys.
Oh, see,
that's
got a
cute.
lighthouse here. Okay, let's place more lighthouses.
Can never have enough lighthouses.
I hear some sound.
Yeah, I hear some sound too. I'm not sure what it is.
It's outside.
Sounded a bit like WhatsApp or FaceTime. I wonder whether it's. I don't know.
Some really faint in the distance. Okay, we're confused. Dancing lighthouse. No!
I have no clue.
Yeah, let's not think too hard about it.
So this is on silent. All my phones are in silent. Maybe it was outside.
Let's just assume it was outside. Okay, I'm thinking maybe another lighthouse here.
Face app. Answer the call. Was it on Discord?
Oh, they were doing a Discord call. We don't have that on the computer we're streaming on.
Oh, that makes...
Okay, we can do that, but I need to turn on Discord onto the desktop.
You're being visited by the elusive sound house.
Right, let's try it one more time, guys.
Okay, let's just try that. Yeah, okay, there you go.
Join call.
Oh,
Hello.
well, I didn't.
Welcome to the stream, Nick and Z.
Hello.
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 Good having you here. Okay, how's it going, guys? Tell us, give us a rundown.
Well, it's fixed. I got a working build now in WebGL.
Nice.
Oh, that makes
And
me
I
so
figured
happy.
I figured we might as well call you to tell you in person, you know?
Oh, I'm so glad to hear it. Yeah, I didn't believe you in chat. The chat
So
wasn't real.
what was the problem?
It was
It
just
was-
that live tracker thingy.
Okay.
Yeah, because before we had like multiple scenes and Live Tracker wasn't in the main scene. So there was no direct reference. So we have like get component, and get component only works if it's active. So the
Okay.
scene starts up active, and then when you start, it gets hidden because we don't want to show it at first sight.
That's a typical mistake. I've done that before myself.
Yeah, so in the finish line component, you do a get reference, but probably it's not shown there when that fires. So I think it's just a race condition thing. But yeah, Z fixed it with a small hack. But I thought to rework everything and make it proper. But yeah, let's not before the finish line now. I can do that
Okay.
later.
If this
Yeah.
is submittable, then
That's
that
fine,
is
that's fine.
good. That is good.
And also as well, Z, I think you can also submit it onto itch because you're a page admin as well.
Yeah, so you just need to right click this build folder, and you need to edit one thing. Let me show you, Z. In the
Okay.
HTML file here, you just need to take the HTML. Like, I can take an example of what I currently got here. Because this is what I do whenever I submit the builds. Let's head on over to...
It's a little hard to read though.
You can paste it in Discord.
Yeah, I think we'll do that.
Hacker mode is
Builds.
enabled.
Let's see, open with Sublime Text. There we
Share
go.
with Skype. What on earth?
Yeah, that's... You open up the HTML file in Sublime, or in any text editor, and at the HTML you just add in margin, style margin 0. Because otherwise you get like a little rim around it.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm currently playing the WebGL build as well, just to make sure.
Lots of testing.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can submit a new build. Would you believe it?
It doesn't have
So
lighthouses.
You don't want me to fix the upside down boats first?
Let's submit. And
Let's
you can
submit. Let's
see
submit
if
at
you
least
can fix
one
it. Yeah.
working build and then fix it later.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and it's quite easy to upload. You just hook that this is what's be played in the browser. And you can delete the old build that is there probably beforehand on the itch page.
So now we can play it and see what it works.
I finished a bunch of boats, so that's nice. Maybe you
Oscar
could.
says it's a feature, the upside down boats. Yeah.
Well,
Wait, say, Nick?
maybe I don't know if you guys are up for it, but you could paste the link in chat and have chat play as well.
Yeah,
Or-
we could. I mean, they have actually seen the link, so if they're observant, they can steal it. But, I can paste the link in chat.
Competition.
Yeah, okay. You guys can give us live feedback on the game. I posted
Yes.
a link, working build link now.
Margin 0.
No,
100 pixels
no
solid.
Fryer. We're not doing border 100 pixel solid red.
Fry's gonna be, oh, don't worry, I'm just gonna hack it. Ah!
Let me just add in that for visual effect.
I think it needs more cats.
Oh yeah, it's
It needs
missing.
more cats, Fryer. It's missing cats.
Where is the style tag for Neko chance?
Nyan cat?
Nyan cat equals true. That doesn't work. It's not a property. Man, I'm disappointed now.
I just finished the race. Cool.
Hey.
Oh, I had a better score than you.
Yeah, but I just focused on finishing. Sorry.
I did the same.
Oh,
But
man.
yeah, let's see in chat who can get
I'm
the
so
best
happy
score.
now. I'm so happy now, guys.
So let's try and.
Opacity 0 will fix the boat issue. I don't believe you somehow.
Oh, but I got like 4 boats in before the 30-second threshold, so I got a nice and juicy modifier there.
I'm wondering like if I should let Krista
Krista-
do this.
Could you just paste the whole HTML file?
Oh, okay.
But press the pause button before you
Without the
continue,
red
Krista.
border.
No, it's just the HTML tag, right?
It's just the HTML tag on the top, yeah. Anyway, here's the whole shebang.
So just add the stylus margin.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love how you
Do I
didn't pause the
want
game.
those settings for the Unity container?
I don't think it's necessary.
Can you?
Sorry.
By the way, this one doesn't have the maximize button, etc. on the outside that your web deploy had before.
Yes, but it looks ugly on when you deploy it on itch, and itch has its own maximize button.
Oh, does it?
Ah, okay.
But when I clicked on that maximize button, the game didn't full screen, but the window full screen. So we might have to make the game size to window or something. If anybody knows how to do that with a WebGL build, or maybe you do some research on it, it'd be nice because I think we just need to modify the HTML.
Boat 3 finished. Boat 4 kind of finished. Boat 2
There you go, no
finished.
functions.
Boat 8, you got a bit slow.
Come on, guys, come on.
Oh no! He's on fire!
Boat 1 finished. Boat 5
Oh, come on,
finished.
number
Try and find the
6.
super secret link for the itch page to test it.
Excuse me?
Yeah,
What are you doing there, man?
his flopping script is not working to get back on.
Flippity floppity. There
Yeah.
you go. I just used the wind to just like woohoo.
The game isn't perfect, but it's
It's a game,
good.
okay.
I'm really happy with this entry. Oh, I'm so relieved that you guys fixed this bug. Thank you so much for running to the office and doing emergency, Nick. Even if you're supposed to be with your family right now.
No problem, but Z found it in the end, so no worries.
So who's the hero here?
I could have stayed at home.
Yeah.
If only I was a bit quicker.
Yeah. No,
Thank
it's
you for
okay.
following or risen.
Thank you for the follow. Just rotate the camera 180 degrees. I think WebGL runs entirely on duct tape and pixie dust. It feels like that. Oh man, that's an atrocious score, Claire. I'm gonna blame Krista for not pausing the game at the beginning.
342 points. And you got everything wrong?
Yeah, but I had the right sequence.
Oh, 2 in the correct. Yeah, correct
I can
sequence.
still zoom in and out here, so I'm like, wee.
That's fine, that's
Yeah,
fine.
That's fine.
No, you cannot rotate the camera, Ryan. It's a fixed camera angle. Yes, Nick?
I just checked the itch page. I made sure not to paste in the secret code. And it doesn't have a maximize button on the itch page.
No, but
So
you
I'm
can
not sure
turn that
what you were
on.
talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
I set the maximize button now.
Okay. I'll
Okay.
refresh.
Okay.
If you save the changes, it should appear on the draft page.
Yep, I see it now. Okay.
But yeah, pressing it does not quite work.
Does it work?
Probably
Does
because
the
Shy Ryan, you can zoom the camera by scroll wheel.
and scroll and then use walls to go around and not do what I did.
Cool.
Everyone plays this game way better than me, but you know.
A Funky Monkey 420. Hello guys, I'm going to head to bed in a little bit. Just want to stop by and say hi.
It's Funky
Thank you
Monk.
so much, Funky Monkey.
It's Funky Monk. It's Funky Monk.
Funky Monk. Sorry,
Funky
Monk. Sorry. Just started learning Unity today. Oh, that's awesome. Which reminds me to plug our Game Dev TV link. Because if you want to learn game dev, you should check them out because that's how we learned our game dev. And you can get 85% off your courses. Okay.
This is how you can make QCL games.
And support our stream because we're affiliated with them. Anyway,
Oh my gosh, come on. Come on.
Funky Monk, if you just started learning as well, we have a really cool Discord community where you can come and share your progress and get some help.
Look at that debris go.
I just met the Funky Monkey on Twitch yesterday. All right, cool. Rosemel, I think I need more practice. Scored 255. Wow, I think, yeah. The game takes a bit of getting used to.
I mean, you're supposed to get these in order, but I'm just like, whatever.
Yeah, so the game is about making them arrive in the correct order.
Yes.
But it doesn't always work out that way.
No.
Z and Nick, you guys happy?
I got 366 now. I want to see the main menu.
I'm
Yeah, I got
just,
my high score 366. Everyone needs to
I'm
post their high scores. It's important.
I'm happy that it worked.
Ah,
Let's see.
you guys sound relieved.
Yeah, I was a bit stressed.
Just a little bit. Especially when Chris started modeling lighthouses.
Nah.
And this
Never had any doubts.
Oh, Yeah, okay, I put full faith in you guys at that point.
Yep. We were just like, because the thing is, we woke up this morning. I woke up at 5:30, and I was like, I'll just go test the build. Bad idea to test the build first thing in the morning.
Just stress you out.
I was just like, no, I can't do this. No.
Should I wake up Chris? 5:30. I barely slept.
Getting them to arrive was a problem for me. Never mind the order, but super fun game.
Yeah, I think like it's a chaos game.
It's a chaos game. Yeah, it's supposed to be chaos. Yes, there was a theme for the jam. It was called Rewind, and we decided to interpret it as Rewind because we were just like, Rewind just sounds, yeah.
Yes,
Common
Funky
mechanic.
Monk, sorry, you're already part of the Discord already. Thank you guys for being such a supportive community. Yeah, that's awesome. Did my first game jam at the end of July. That's
That is
cool.
awesome.
Yes, and we certainly are doing the Brackey's game jam.
Yes.
And this is our entry.
Yes,
We just need to submit it,
I know.
but with lighthouses.
But with lighthouses.
I was planning to get around to doing shipwrecks as well.
I think we'll just do the lighthouses.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be
But
sitting
I decided we're gonna have 3 lighthouses. Do you
Three
like the
lighthouses.
position of this one?
Yep, I do.
Oh, we don't have any collider on it.
How long did you have to make your game for this one? It was 7-day jam.
So we started last Saturday right after stream.
Yeah,
And
because of me.
Nick and Z was on the stream and we were just like, should we participate? And they both raised their hand and like, yeah, let's
we'll
do it. So yeah, here we are, team together now. You guys happy that you want to work with us?
Oh, Oscar said
yeah.
I wanted to
Very
try.
happy.
It's
It's been a lot of fun.
That's awesome.
It's been my best game jam ever.
Yep.
It's been such a good jam experience.
Oscar says he wanted to try the game, but only runs at 2 FPS on his dusty old machine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It runs at like 500 FPS on mine, so we tried to make it quite performant.
If anybody has any performance problems, let us know.
Yes, absolutely.
We try to be as good as possible, but you know.
I think I need to add the capsule collider to a child.
That's super fun. How big is your team? 4 of us. It's Nick and Z who's on call right now, and us 2, of course.
And the doggies.
The doggos, but they didn't put their paws in this. I'm sorry. Didn't touch it. They've just been snoozing.
Could have let them made some art, you know? Just
Yeah,
use some
we should
bars,
have.
scan it in. Have like Winky Rock when you just model it after his paw or something.
So that's going to be with your little pupper now, Nick. Nick got a new pup in the house yesterday, and he was supposed to be on call today. We had planned a special one, but Nick's on the office instead, helping us fix bugs.
Bugs.
I'm currently looking at that full screen thing, but that's just it's a HTML setting thing, I think. I just can't figure it out quickly right now. But I'll keep looking.
I'm looking at it too. But
It's
I mean,
running well on a Chromebook.
Oh,
maybe
right, that's
someone
nice.
in chat knows how to fix the full screen.
Because
Does
I,
anybody know how to fix full screen for HTML?
An itch.
I removed some restrictions and posted a screenshot, and now I have like a 3440 wide by 600. So I got some progress, but not the progress I want.
That's weird. Careful with the collider size now, Krister.
Yeah, and I'm going to get this correct, I think.
Easter egg down a secret path leading to a dancing lighthouse.
Feature
Oh no, I got
creep.
it.
Oh, so it
I
works,
got
Nick.
it. No, I just need to set. I have. Just give me a second. 100 VH, 100 VW.
Okay, we got a collider on our lighthouse
This
now.
works. I got it.
Whoa!
Awesome!
Let me
Okay,
see.
where should the final lighthouse be? It should be on this cliff, right?
Yeah, but then you should have them by the air as well. I feel.
There's too many of
Too
them.
many lighthouses. Krister thinks there's too many.
I think like less is more here, right?
Less is more. Ooh, actually, I'm just gonna go onto my PC and just send my dad a quick email so we can test out the game as well.
Yeah, you do that.
Yeah, I'm
do
gonna
that.
do that because I drafted it earlier and I was just like, oh.
This is the
Send
big
it.
Kahuna lighthouse, though.
I love how this short distance we're like, hello.
We love having our desks next to each other. And thank you everyone for hanging out with us this morning as we're going to finish our jam entry. 3D games make me nervous. I've only ever had 2 games before and they were both 2D. Really like your guys' art for this one. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We were actually using lots of models or assets, 3D assets, but then I decided like 2 days ago to remodel everything from scratch because I wanted to take full credit for the art and not say like, we used an asset pack. When it was
Cool. It says on the bar at the top for the itch page, resale by Snuti and Dutch Dad,
hey, you guys getting all the credit.
which is obviously Nick.
Yeah, I really need to work out all those names. Because I originally started Dutch Dad to make like games for kids without ads and stuff. But then I found out that the legal entity form of my company is not allowed to be used as a name in the Apple App Store. So yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I'm back.
That's restrictions for you.
Yep. But I think I found a way to make it 100% size. So I just sent it to Z for him to test.
Awesome.
Yep, I'm testing.
You guys are the best.
I just joined Discord. I'm 3PO, but still have no permissions yet. You need to approve the rules.
Welcome message.
The welcome message.
There's
yes.
a little tick you need to click.
Little ticky tick.
And you can also click the bell next to it if you want to get notification whenever we go live every Saturday morning.
Yes.
And we're streaming or we're posting things on YouTube. So
which we'll be making a post-mortem-y thingy of the game.
talking about YouTube, we got our YouTube link in chat right now. So if you want to check out our channel,
3, 2.
we do awesome
Can you
game
go,
devlogs.
mute audio?
I'll mute audio. There we go. Okay, look at the lighthouse.
Oh, it looks shiny.
Let's try to get all the storms there.
That's just so mean.
We need to see if the lighthouse can handle the storm.
But it doesn't light up when the storm happens.
Ah, that's a detail.
My boss's nickname is Big Gooner. The extra dimension makes all the difference. I've only ever made like 2 3D models, and I couldn't imagine making games with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does take practice. But I find it easier to do than 2D, but then I suck at drawing, so...
Yeah. I find 3D is nice because you can, like, this entire terrain is made of 3 models. That's everything is by 3 models. And if you'd done that with 2D art, it would have looked very repetitive. But in 3D space, you can scale, stretch, and pull things out, especially with low poly stuff. You can make the, this nice environment just with 3 models.
Okay, the full screen works now.
Yay!
Yes. I was thinking maybe we need to take better screenshots for the itch page.
I've taken quite a few. Claire's also taken a few.
Yeah, I did a few kind of nice ones.
But please do take more.
We didn't manage to do a GIF. We're going to do a GIF this morning.
And we haven't done one with the lighthouse, so I can take that right now. Oh, I want
with the storm. No, have it with the storm.
Okay, with the
have
storm.
It with the storm. There
Okay.
you go.
Is that a good screenshot?
That's a good screenshot. That's an in-game screenshot.
Because the game has so many nice visuals. Lots of nice colors.
Yeah, this is how we take our screenshots. So just snip and sketch.
Snip and sketch.
Snip and sketch.
I would love
Probably
to
take one
actually.
from to have the brighter version, not the darker. Yeah,
I
this
think
looks
so.
better.
I'm gonna try to get a screenshot of the lighthouse at the beach one in the center, actually.
Ooh. Needs
So
to
the
be
lighthouse, is there bloom in this scene? Because
Yeah, there's a bit of bloom, but I think actually I haven't modified the post processing. Z, all the boats jump at start now. That's the unstucker script triggering.
Oops.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
I can increase the delay.
I think it should wait a little bit longer. I notice it's a bit twitchy. Ooh. I want
I
to...
love those fire effects when they get hit by lightning.
could
Oh,
make
the
it
camera
to
angle
like
is,
30 seconds.
Can I maybe take the screenshot here instead?
Yeah, just without gizmos. But it doesn't have the little thingies on top.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. This is just a, you know.
This is cover art. It's not in-game art. This is in-engine art.
In-engine.
Yeah.
Can I see the chat? Because I can't see the chat
Oh,
anymore.
sorry.
So if you move them to the right, yeah, there you go. Because Timmy is awoke again. Game looks cool. Thank you, Timmy!
Oh, Timmy, I hope you're not sitting here
Yeah.
falling asleep, and sorry for replying to you so very late.
My boss's nickname changes depending on who is talking about and who's listening.
Yeah,
I always say nice thing about my boss. Because I'm
Aw.
also a boss.
yeah
And
we're
this is
both
also a boss.
bosses.
We're both bosses. I have boss chair over here as well. This is boss chair, which no one can see because I'm tapping around the thing and I don't see the
Now we
camera.
can.
This is boss chair. Please welcome boss chair.
That's boss chair,
That's boss chair
for
right there.
pregnant lady. We all...
Karen ladies, boss chair. Boss chair. Oh shoot! I'm so sorry, Doug. I'm broke.
That's what's happening.
And Winky's just like. It's okay, Winky B. It's okay. It's just me. It's me moving out. Did I fix Doug cam better?
Bit to right. Oh, there we go. That's good.
I'm so sorry, Winky. We really scare you.
Yeah, don't I'm scary. He was scary when he falls on me.
It didn't fall on you. Oh, you guys. With free doggo snuggles.
Wait. Yeah. 42 handles.
I really like getting these low screenshots right above the waveline.
Chris is the best at screenshots.
Because you see the lighthouse off in the
I
distance.
redeemed for dog cuddles. Okay, well, I didn't actually do full dog snuggle.
It's compensation for the fallen dog cam.
Yes. I think it's just people don't want me going up and down all the time. Oh, look at this little pupper. Nick, have you had your dog peeing and pooping everywhere already?
Oh yeah. It was like the when he got home, he just went crazy. He peed like 20 times in the kitchen and had two poos, and yeah, he was all over the place. But he grew up in having like sawdust, like the big sawdust kind, because he was raised on a farm, so had a huge area for the dogs, and they could just do their stuff there. So he's not used to having a specific spot to do his deeds, you know. Yeah. But yeah, I took him outside this morning, and
was it a peaceful night?
Yeah, it was. I woke up alone in bed. My wife was already downstairs. I convinced her to sleep, to get some sleep, at least, because she was really wanting to sleep on the couch just to monitor her. I said, well, I think it's best that you just get a few hours of sleep and then go down if you hear something. But yeah. She got some sleep and got up an hour before me or 2 hours before me.
Are you sure you haven't been replaced yet, Nick?
I probably have.
I'm just saving lots of screenshots.
Yeah, and the kids are in love with them as well. With him as well, so it's really nice. The oldest is kind of scared for dogs, but she's warming up to him.
That's good to
she's
hear.
a bit jittery, but yeah, really nice.
Over time, that will be natural. She will not even think about it.
I'm not worried.
This is going to be this big bear ready to snuggle anyway. And he'll probably be protective and look after us. This will good.
I'm going to be pushing this change, I think.
How much have you been reading of chat, actually, Kristen?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay, well, at least I got Spoody's one. Architecture and design takes way longer in 3D for me, even though things get done faster.
Okay, let's see. Did we miss anything else?
3 models? No way, it looks so different.
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys, for not reading chat. What about 2.5D? Oh, that sounds hard for me.
That's hard, yeah.
Yeah.
3 models. Chris has been working with very few models and making it look really good.
Because I mean, like, you can turn them upside down, scale and stretch. It's just
that's actually what we've done with Mr. Pips as well. Most of the models are like.
Okay, let me take this piece of land.
At least for the land, yeah.
Right. You have a lot of choice here in terms of how you use it.
This is how you use one piece of 3D.
Yeah.
The game looks awesome. I like the waters. Oh, thank you.
I like the comment earlier.
It makes me want to play it. Well, we sent a link up above. Maybe you didn't see that.
I can send it again.
Sending it. We'll be posting on Itch later, but it is on
with
Itch,
lighthouses.
Yeah, we're just doing some finishing touches. So, hello, Brain Games. Sorry for saying hello too late.
Oh, hello.
And Boss Chair has something to say about Dog Cam.
Yeah, that was like accident earlier.
Don't think Boss Chair was.
Fryer was wondering if the water goes on forever, and yes and no. We have one water plane.
Yes.
Which does not go on forever. This is kind of like the main water, but then we have another layer of water, and this other layer of water.
LOD for this.
Well, this one is like a 16 polygon water, while the other piece of water, I just want to show it in game, is attached to the camera, and it's a world shader on it, and it even zooms when the camera zooms in and out, so you can actually see some artifacts of it. I think along the line here. I fixed it so well you can't really see it.
Oh,
okay,
perfect.
Wait a second. You can see it if I do this.
It's bedtime for me. Have fun. Thank you so much for joining us, Nerdy Kilt. It's been awesome. I hope you have a very good night and sleep well. And hope you have a good weekend as well.
So here you can see actually the water working in the game. When I move the camera and as I scale the camera, it will move this plane. And this plane has 16,000 polygons, so the distortion of the shader looks really nice and creates these really nice waves. And then we also have physics, which is modulated after those waves as well, which is just a sine wave.
Yeah.
At an angle.
I like how it's a static on it.
Yeah. Yeah,
I'm gonna totally use this for the devlogs. Like, oh, cool. For the game jam I didn't take any screenshots. I felt so pressed for time. Watching you guys, I feel like I could have taken a bunch of them. Yeah, we tend to just take a lot from, in the editor sometimes, and yeah.
I really feel like when I'm working at the game jam, like, I don't want to do social media, I don't want to talk with people, I just want to focus on my task, but I know, like,
That's what Clara ends up doing instead.
Half the job really of game dev is to also like create art and market it while you're doing the work. So I think that's like a really good challenge to put on yourself to try to like, okay, this is a cool screenshot, let's post that on Twitter and take it. And we've been posting a lot less on Twitter than we usually have.
Yeah, we had so many Follow Fridays yesterday. I was like, oh, so sorry, I'll respond to you tomorrow.
This is a nice screenshot.
You mean it's all the same 3 rocks?
Yeah.
Always has been.
Always has been. And 3 materials.
And 3 materials. We did have loads of materials, but
I cleaned them all up. Yep.
And Snutibot is contributing to, what are you up to today?
Yeah.
Working on anything cool, taking it easy, say hi and let us know. We're discussing in the thingy if we're going to be going ahead with also making a desktop build.
You guys are in chat, but Nick is muting himself.
Oh yeah. Nick!
Yes, I think we should do a desktop build as well.
Yes.
For people who
Should we pull our changes and push everything?
Yes, I'm going to push this.
I just wanted to make sure to not accidentally say stuff on streams. I figured I'd just mute myself.
No worries.
Oh, someone's made a change.
That's no biggie, because I don't need my changes.
I thought you put all the lighthouses.
I have put them all into the world prefab, not the world scene. So if I discard my world scene...
Snooty Boss is busy working on world domination. World domination.
Yes.
I did love it that one time someone gifted lots of subs and Snooty Bot got one.
Oh yes.
And we were like, oh, Snooty Bot got some love. I've lost it now.
So grateful for the subs we received last stream.
Yeah, that was
We had
really
11
nice.
subs.
We had
very
such
generous.
a nice anniversary stream last week and croissants and we had them for the next day as well. They're still super tasty. And we still have lots of bread that we ordered that is in the freezer, waiting around to be eaten. See? Party at ours?
I think he's fallen asleep.
Said bread party at ours.
You have way too much bread. Okay. I think... Okay, I'm going to discard the .1 blend.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Discard those.
I'll mark that as red. And
I can close this Blender file. But pull origin now. I think that's going to work better.
Don't think my dad's awake playing the game.
Yeah, we need to test the build on our laptops as well.
Yeah.
And good morning.
Good morning, DXZ300. Hello.
How you doing today?
We're just pushing a Git thing, working on our game jam entry. What are you up to? Nice to meet you, and nice to meet you too.
Welcome to the stream. We also have 2 other people on the call today. Nick and Z hanging out here.
Yes.
As they're working on this
Hello.
jam entry together with us. It's going to be a very good jam entry.
Do we need to get rid of those debug logs so they don't end up spamming any consoles, or are they fine?
Crickets. I need like cricket one. Did you not hear Claire, guys?
Yeah, but if you make a normal build, debug logs won't actually be there.
But
Okay.
So
Yeah, not normal, but errors.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're doing great.
Is this gonna be the final build?
Yeah, if you pull in my lighthouses, it might be. I was planning to do some shipwrecks, but I think it's better to keep it low poly and less detail, actually.
This is good.
Oh,
Oh, you lost all your little...
my lighthouses are gone.
Oh, missing prefab.
Oh, I just changed something about... I discarded the That was stupid. I took... You guys saw me do it live on stream here. I just killed the wrong file. I need to recreate the lighthouses, not the Blender files, but
wait a second.
the prefabs.
I had it that yesterday, all of them were in my recycle bin.
Oh, really?
I had it that it was in my recycle bin, and I was like, you what?
Yeah, let's
Is that
have a
even
look.
a thing? What legal logs?
Oh,
That's 3D labels.
okay. That's
Was it called Lighthouse?
date deleted.
There you go. See?
Oh,
See, they're all in your... You can't see on stream. Sorry, guys.
I'm
But
gonna
yeah.
cut those files and paste them into the repo. Brackets Game Jam Assets Project, prefabs, environment. Here it's supposed to go.
I think I just saved Chris's day.
Awesome.
Works.
Okay, I'll push another update.
So if you discard your changes from Git, guys, always track in your recycle bin as long
Especially
as
if
you
it's
don't delete
Git desktop
Yeah.
specifically, because it says here like discard changes.
By retrieving them from the recycle bin.
Oh, it does say here, because usually it says like changes cannot be retrieved. Oh, that's nice. I should read these
I
messages.
should read these messages, yeah. Because I ended up discarding something yesterday. I was like, oh crap, I shouldn't have done that.
Oh, that's so nice to know. Thank you, Windows.
I learned something new.
Yeah, GitHub for Windows is awesome.
Everybody learned something from the stream today. Yay!
I use a mix of CLI and Sublime merge for Git CLI. Yeah, I use a lot of Git CLI as well when I work with web development.
Yes.
But for my game dev, I like the desktop.
And also, Funky Monk says, your game is so much fun. I love it. The sound design is amazing, and the game in general is just super cute.
Oh, thank you so much. I mean, we put one requirement down when we made a team with Nick and Z to make this game. I was like, it has to be cute.
Yeah, and then Claire did like most of the sound effects just because it was like,
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys did amazing.
we couldn't get any wind effects, any good wind effects. So I was just like, I'll just make wind effects. No, I wasn't doing any. I was just making wind sounds. Don't worry.
We're just sitting here
In front of Mike. Mike.
Yes.
Mike was our trusty friend, and he helped us to do it all.
Yeah, like 10 o'clock last night. But
And hello, Bizmaster Studios.
hey, how you doing today? We are doing a jam entry, as you might notice. We are working on resale
Resale.
together with Nick and C.
And also, by the way, the soundtrack is really cute and that's some stream beats.
Yes,
We
I
really
think that was a
like
good.
it. And it's called Beauty for Sale. We just thought it was such a good play on words.
It is beauty for sale. Except it was like selling things instead of sailing, but
Yeah, but you know,
close enough.
play on words.
You guys are beautiful. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, our teammates are also beautiful.
Aw.
Well, I haven't seen what Z looks like. He just looks like a shark from his pictures.
He's permanently a shark.
That's how I look.
I said to Krista last night, oh, I know, when we make our next little ice cream boat game, we need to make a cute little shark and call it Z.
That'd be cute.
That'd be cute.
Is all the credits linked hooked up correctly as you guys
They are.
want it?
I think so.
Yeah, go ahead and click it because I've made it that it opens the website.
Yeah, I know that, but like, are you happy with the links you guys have here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I think I might change it to my itch page, but I don't know.
Yeah, for example, because you don't
But
need to do
itch-
Twitter, YouTube,
Itch pages I've linked as well on the on the itch page itself, so people can click on that
Because
if they want to.
in the web credits linked to my company website, I changed that to just be the itch page.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because I think also for you as well, Z, that you know, promote the channels you want to have traffic on instead of the ones you're not interested in.
The more the merrier.
Well, I think
All the
less is
links.
more because people will only click on one link from you, and then make sure that one click they do is worthwhile.
Where's everything?
I'm probably the Twitter, I guess.
Okay, should we remove the other ones then?
Are you?
But it's like visually nice to have 333 now.
So it seems
It's
weird.
up
It was
to you.
like 3 and then 1 and then 3 and then yeah, it just seems weird. A cute yet punny name. That song will propel
Just
me
leave it.
to up my game.
Yeah, it's okay. Not gonna change it either. It's okay.
Okay.
I also just improvised that W for the web link because
We noticed Claire was like running around as a headless chicken trying to find an icon, and then it didn't work out anyway.
yeah, I actually opened up like Affinity and I was like, no, I'm not gonna sit here for like half an hour to an hour trying to make an icon. I'll just spam a W and people will understand, you know.
Yeah.
Dog work time. Enjoy the rest of your stream and good luck with your entry. Thank you so much for
Thank you so much.
Have
I'm
a
so
really-
pumped for this entry.
Have a really nice dog trip.
Yeah.
And make sure to give lots of doggo cuddles to your doggo from us. And Morris and Winky.
And Morris Winky says bye.
Bye. Sleepy
Aw,
bye.
Sleepy bye.
And thank you for the follow, DXZ300. Thank you. I'm making lots of these Wii sounds. There are Wii sounds, by the way, in the game. Just saying. 3, courtesy of Z's integration.
1, go!
I really like this debris things you just throw
If you
around.
zoom in, you can. Is there a yatta in there?
There's a yatta in there. I asked you to record that, remember? I was like, Claire, do a yatta. Oh, number 4. Having a bit of a bad day here.
I'm
Has this
thinking
game
maybe
been
the
sold?
sounds at the end, entering the finish line, is maybe a little loud.
Is it? We can adjust the volume of
Yeah, we can
those.
adjust the volume.
You know how to do that, Z?
Yeah. Or I guess you play it with the play one shot.
No, they're actually hooked up in the editor under the audio prefab, so there you can set the volume of the clips, and I set them to 70% at the moment, so you can reduce it to like maybe 50%. Let me listen to it right now, because I'm close to the finishing line.
I don't hear Z anymore.
As Z is muted because of what's for the audio sounds. Let's listen to it. Number 1, go.
If it's too loud on stream, just say. By the way.
I turn up the volume.
Boat 1 finished.
Yeah, it's quite loud.
That's quite loud.
Boat 5 finished.
Yeah, that should be a lower volume.
There you go. Has this game is already? Then why the resale? And Charles, I want to buy the game, but I'll wait for it to go on sale.
Aw.
I love all these puns, guys. Are awesome.
That's good puns. Oh no, water was clipping through here. See there?
Oh, stop being a perfectionist.
See, the water is bugging out with my mesh.
Oh, boohoo.
But it doesn't happen up close. It only happens when you zoom out. Because then the polygons reduce count for the water. Oh.
And Nick says, be sure to rate the game and leave comments when it releases. Yes, I don't think we have a link to our itch here. But
Yeah, we do.
Oh, we do.
The game will be
It'll be
published
posted on
here in a couple of hours, guys.
Well, obviously
Yeah.
before 12, and speaking of the time, it's already 9:30, so yeah.
Thank you for following, Lego Logan.
Thank you for the follow. It's a must buy.
This master with all the puns.
Mechanics are good, but we'll see if the idea floats. Oh, guys! Ah, bling bling.
Oh, too much I can't handle.
There's so much cheese in the chat today.
We should implement all these puns into the game, but yeah, too late, sadly. We should have had all of those like a few days ago. Claire would have been like...
Oh, I would have, yeah.
Yeah.
I think we have enough ideas to fill like 7 more weeks anyways. So.
That is true.
I'll wait for the port.
Oh, this guy is like cracking.
Bizmaster, I'll settle down for now. Are you sure?
We're not done yet.
I'll mute myself.
He's like, this is too punful this morning. Way too punful. The Morris can't handle it.
Oh, he
People
abandoned
like me.
post. Or abandoned port. Dog port is now gone.
Oh,
And this is exactly why I didn't want to do anything important on stream today, other than modeling those lighthouses.
because modeling lighthouses is
Yeah.
cool.
But are we making a final build then? Z, you doing that?
Yeah, I just added a new build with the
Okay.
lighthouse.
With light? Okay. Wow.
Ooh. Ooh.
You must have a fast CPU which has managed to make a build in this time.
So
Because my computer takes quite a while for it.
Yep. You have a
It
good
goes
computer.
fast once you've done it once.
Yeah, well, I even found with the WebGL build, it was slow no matter what.
It was.
But the Windows build is fast the second time.
Yeah.
You don't have Windows build as well?
No, but I can do that if we're happy with things as they are.
I think we are.
I think so.
I don't want to touch anything. I don't want to break anything.
No.
I just want this to be submitted and like have a good time.
Okay.
We'll certainly be making waves.
Z, you just had to come in with those puns as well. You can.
What autocorrect did DXE? Hi
Meti.
Meti.
I don't know.
I don't know.
So does this mean that we're ready to have some champagne in a bit?
I can't have champagne. Come on.
Sorry.
Wait another 2 more months, then you can.
I'll just get some bubbly water then.
What did you say, Z?
there's alcohol-free champagne.
Well, that's true. I used to have it when I was a kid, actually, as well. In France, they had a really nice one, which was called Cham. I can't remember. It was Cham something. Cham. I don't know.
Not Chompipi.
No, it wasn't Chompipi. That's the nickname for
Mushrooms for your mom.
mushrooms for my mom's.
Whatever. I think we're digressing. But yeah, we should celebrate. I think one way I want to celebrate today is rest.
Yeah, and croissants, plenty of croissants.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Z, we should have done more innovating.
Oh.
Queen from the first. Heia Norge. Hello.
Hello. If she drinks now, the baby will get Baileys. Bizmaster Studios is on ball today with his puns. We should give you like the pun badge.
The punmeister.
Oh, hi Morris and Winky. That's what the XC was saying earlier. Oh.
Bizmaster Studio, I have upgraded you to VIP on this channel right now for contributing with all these puns.
Funny was like, they make alcohol-free champagne? I never heard of that. Well, they do like make children's like, bubbly champagne that doesn't have any alcohol in it, so that they can feel special.
It's a fizzy drink which kind of has a funny taste.
Yeah.
Champagneless. It's very important puns. Yes, very important puns. Yeah.
Oh man. This stream.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever laughed this much on stream before.
Nah, I think we're lacking sleep.
Probably that too, yeah.
We're
all just like crazy, like, whoa. Almost spat out my sandwich. Oh god, guys. Oh man. Woo.
Yeah. Should we take the dogs for a walk and go and sleep now?
No. We need to publish
Are we
this.
still in the middle of a Twitch stream? Yeah, we are.
Where are you getting all these jokes, as far? Please leak the sauce.
Yeah. Please do. And for those who's just joining us, you can try out an old.
Well, I don't know. It might be on.
Or should we just put the itch page as published?
Yeah, I can put it as public.
Yeah.
Ooh. Let's do that.
I'll leave the honors up to you.
We're gonna hit the publish button live here. Right
Dashboard. No, it's dashboard.
But did we
Sorry.
make a new WebGL build with the lighthouses?
Yes, I did.
And it's
Yeah,
uploaded.
Yeah. Good.
And
No spill.
Good man.
do you delete old build?
Yeah.
View the page.
Let me just have a look at the project.
Are you sure? I'm from the US, where the drinking age is 21 and parents rarely let kids drink before age like 17 or 18. Yeah, over in Europe, it's, yeah.
Z, you didn't do the
drinking age is
HTML thing.
Didn't I? Are you sure? Try the full screen button.
Oh, that was wonderful, but it
Oh.
has a margin on the web build.
Krista doesn't like his borders.
Do you see
remember?
on the stream right now, there's a small border around here?
The top left.
Right, yeah.
That one, I think, is disappeared by doing margin 0 on the HTML body.
Yeah, but it does have margin 0.
Alright, okay, let's inspect the element to see what's going on there now.
It
Let's
says
see.
margin 0, yeah.
Okay, oh, it's not, so sorry. It's here. Margin.
Oh, it's in the, yeah.
Do you see
the
what
body.
I just did on stream, Z?
That's too tiny
On
for
the
us.
body, yeah. But
Margin 0 on the body, not on the HTML. I got close enough.
Fire's like, I don't want, Bismarck, I don't want to leak fire. They call that bleeding. Okay, we just go with the flow. Are you sure? Those links better not lead to fish insights. Oh my god.
you need to write this down.
What are we gonna call today's stream, guys? The punniest stream ever? I don't know. Yeah. I'm sure chat can come up with a good name for it.
Yeah. Chat being punny is good, I think.
Punful chat, stream resale.
I'm taking note.
So take a note.
At least the music is very calming.
Yeah.
I was glad. That was a good choice from Streambeats there.
Yep.
I almost fell asleep when I was listening to it this morning. I was like, I'm just gonna leave it on.
I need to make sure to head over to Harris Hammer's Discord and drop a link there to show that we use his stuff as well.
Yeah, Shy Ryan, we have not published yet because
No.
I want C to upload the final build which doesn't have that border issue. And then we can hit the publish button.
Why is that different size?
Is that supposed to be larger?
It's supposed to be larger.
Well, we can fix that.
Ah, damn it. The screenshots for the page.
Edit this there. Oh, you can do
Oh
it.
yeah, that's here.
And we can improve the screenshots after publish.
Yeah, that's true.
After
Where did you take your screenshots again?
Oh yeah, okay. Maybe... Yeah, they're
I
all
also-
in my pictures.
Pictures?
I quickly changed the text to make it like repeatedly use wind instead of rewind wind, because we never actually rewind wind. So
I think that's better to go with the repeated wind instead of rewind.
I just randomly uploaded a screenshot.
Okay.
Okay, it's up. See if it
Woohoo!
works.
Nice. Okay.
That's screenshots. Okay.
We're
I
gonna
didn't
add some
realize
screenshots before we test. That's quite a good one, I think.
that was a good one. And that one?
Ooh, what about these other ones there?
No, these ones I've already
Oh, yeah.
used them already. I think these ones are best.
That many? Okay, we can have more. More is more.
More is more. More screenshots make
All
them
the
pretty.
screenshots.
Like they're pretty. Yeah, that was here.
Can we make that big? You're missing a character.
Huh? Oh yeah. But it doesn't matter because it's in here. Da, 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 da.
You just like...
That's why I just hack it.
don't make another div. You can
No.
do it on parent div.
Oh, I didn't say it was a parent div.
Or a parent strong even. Yeah, or div. Yeah. 2EM
I
or...
think it was. I put it to that. I think.
Or you do it in pixels? That's best
I
to
do
just do it
pixels.
in... Okay, fine. Do it in
It
pixels.
works in pixels. So
Do it in pixels.
that was a. Hey, what are you doing, man?
Bit big?
Yeah. Oh, what's it doing?
I know what I would do here.
I'm just playing the game like full screen on my 34-inch ultra wide,
Yeah.
and now I understand like the zoom level, because if even the zoomed out, it's still like you're in there.
Yeah, do you like it?
Maybe we should have because the low resolution and like I have this giant ass monitor in front of me.
Yeah.
If all those again.
The thing is, if we change the zoom
It's,
level...
it's
I
not
have to-
bad. It's not
we have
bad.
to
We're not going to
retweak
change it
the-
now, but yeah.
we have to retweak the water a lot, and the water need more polygons. I've really stretched it to the edge as far as I could go. And also, I changed the camera angle. Z was like, it's too steep, so I made it 45 degrees instead of 60-degree camera angle on the zoom out.
Okay.
And I also changed the curve for how it zooms in and out and the camera goes.
Oops. Oh no. Does it
Tweaking
work?
that yesterday.
It's released.
You're publishing now?
Yeah, I'm publishing now.
Can I have a toilet break beforehand?
I put a genre race in.
What about the Windows build?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we can probably add that one.
You can upload that
Yeah, you
before.
can upload that.
The project
Or do it
is-
later.
The project is set to HTML, so
Thank
can
you.
I just upload the Windows build?
Maybe we just upload the Windows build after, or
Yeah, I can do that. Right, configure settings, public access.
I'm just thinking that if we need to change something last minute, then you have to switch back, wait a long time, and just a bit nervous.
There you go. It's not published. Here is the new. Reset. Did I? Oh, yeah, I'm used to that. Okay. Here, yes, it is published, and here's the link. Just make sure the description isn't too vague. The more specific, the better. A good description gets people really on board. That was worth at least 120 decibel cackle. Once this game is up, we'll be cruising. Did you develop the game with waterfall model? With the waterfall model? No, I don't think so.
No, it was just random chaos.
Random chaos.
We,
Congratulations.
we,
on-
used,
Yeah, sorry.
we actually did a bit of agile. Like we used Trello, and we had quick meetings to see what we should do. Yeah.
Mostly Trello.
Yeah. Mostly Claire, actually. You did a lot of the management.
Yeah.
Yeah, and stressing.
Yeah, we all did that. Don't worry.
DXC says congratulations on the pregnancy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh boy, I'm so excited.
We should submit here while we're still live then.
I should do it. I got my. Where did I put my? No, Nick. You wrote some texty. So, guys,
But Z, you were asking if you could upload Windows build. I think you can just upload it without any problems, because it doesn't matter if the page is HTML or what. It just adds a little download button to it. You just untick that this is supposed to be played in browser.
I'm gonna try it. Can just delete it if it doesn't work.
Yeah, but maybe wait with what Claire's doing, or I mean, like, I think we should submit the Windows build before we do this.
yeah, that's fine. But the thing is, I can still like type everything in.
Okay.
Plus, it's just submitting the project itself. This is the music.
Expand these
Yeah, I'm
text
gonna do
boxes.
that.
A bit big, but yeah, close enough.
Yeah, it's close enough.
Yes.
Okay, Mark, does this...
Scroll down.
No, where's it?
New message.
Yeah, I'm getting it. Is there a way to list reads on my Edge page as well? No rush, just like to listen.
Yes.
You can, because you're put as a collaborator. There's apparently some setting in itch where you can show anything that you've made.
Yeah, but I'm not sure if it happens after the jam submission or not.
I'm not sure.
But there should be an option, and it can turn it on.
Okay. Because it's listed in my dashboard, just not when I go to my page.
Yeah, because you're a project admin. So it will be listed there.
And you ticked a box yesterday when you made them.
Yeah, because you can see up there actually on the tab here it says Snuti Z and, as I said, Dutch Dad up there.
Yeah, right.
But I don't do it all there.
Okay. So when I uploaded it, it let me choose what kind of platform it is.
Yes.
Yeah.
That sounds correct. So you just picked Windows and that worked?
Yep.
The team, the message on
I guess we're not doing any Mac or Linux builds.
No.
I can test a Mac build later if you want, but I think WebGL just works for most people.
Yeah,
right?
The Windows build is a backup in the first place. I think we just leave it at the two versions. We don't have time to test the other two platforms, really.
Yeah.
And in my experience, usually there are some issues with them.
Make sure everyone knows, don't want to leave them stranded. Will there be a sailor? Will this be on sale or not?
Come on, come on.
Everyone on deck, let's play.
Oh, I love you, Bizmaster.
Yeah.
That is good stuff.
I've got to get number 1 in the goal today. Make him go first.
I don't think you're gonna do that.
Oh man, nope, not working out so well. Oh, number 1 is gonna go in. He's gonna...
Oh, really? I think number 6 is gonna go in. Ah!
Oh, 1 finished. Both 6 finished.
Number 3? Oh, number 2 and number 3 are together. Okay, we'll do that.
Nick found out how to show the project on the itch page.
Nice.
So that's cool.
Yeah, because I found it tricky to find out
finished.
how to... Do we want to turn down the sound of the voice at the end?
Boat
Oh,
3
Didn't
finished.
didn't you do that?
Sorry?
Did you turn down the volume of the boat finish
Oh,
sounds?
I didn't do that.
Okay, whatever. It's submitted without that.
Doesn't matter.
That was such a small detail.
Yeah. Did you unpublish? No, we published. The game sound is drowning out your voices. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we
I've
muted the
turned it
game
off
sounds now.
4, 7, 9. You can do that. There you go.
Thank you for telling us that. Try Ryan.
Yes.
Winky doesn't care much about your publishing, it seems. Yes. She's
just like, no, I've just had to live for an entire week with this stress. No.
Oh, resale is actually back in draft modus.
What? Oh, is that maybe related to...
Maybe because I uploaded.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
but it shouldn't
Maybe.
unpublish the page, right?
Well, mine was still in draft mode. I guess I didn't refresh the
Oh,
page.
have you maybe lost our changes?
No, we haven't.
Okay, now it seems fine.
Win WebGL. Okay, I'll enable it again. Sorry. Okay, public.
Sorry, guys, for unpublishing. We'll republish.
Okay, that should
Done.
work now.
Is your whole team based in Norway? No.
No.
Z's from Norway. And
Yep.
I'm from Norway. And Claire lives in Norway.
And I live in Norway,
She's becoming Norwegian.
hopefully.
Working on it. But yeah, Nick's from he's from Netherlands.
Yes, so it's European.
Yes,
Not
we're all
us.
at the same time zone. That helped a lot, even though we could not work at the same time of the day.
Oh, yeah.
But that was still fun.
I'm gonna then publish the game to the jam, guys. Submit it.
Yes, woohoo!
Woo! Yeah.
Your game has been submitted. See all submissions. Oh, we're available after it's ended. Sweet.
Okay. It's done then.
It's done.
Oh,
Submit your
okay.
project. This is like,
The button is still tempting you.
yeah, I'm
Or
just
you can
like,
submit multiple, that's why.
oh, can you? Yeah.
Yeah. Now it works. Okay, Nick has resale on his itch page as well.
Nice. This has the old use the buttons to get to the little rings onto the rod game vibe to it. Remember those little toys? You press a button and it would push water upwards?
I have no idea what we're talking about.
I'm not sure about this. You press a button and it push up. Use a button to get.
I think we need a visual for this.
I think we need a visual, Bizmaster. Yeah. I'm getting a 404 now to try to comment. Maybe copy your comment
Oh,
and
I'm so
refresh.
sorry. Hope you didn't lose your comment.
Yeah.
While we-
Yeah, that's the way to go. With 2 hours to spare, that's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Queen
2
Fran.
hours, 1 minute.
And 50 seconds. We did
That
it, guys.
means we can add
Congrats.
3 more features. Let's go.
Nick, you have no idea how angry Claire was last night.
I was like, Kristen, Lucy, go to bed.
Yeah.
Because he was like, why is Nick adding more features? I was like,
I think I was the lack of sleep, you know. So I'm going
We
to
have
blame that.
planned for an online leaderboard, right?
Yeah, working on that.
No.
Nah, I got the high score in and it works, and that's good. But
Yeah, no, I remember it's going to be.
it all depends on how people really like the game. If you get a lot of good feedback, maybe I'll make sure to upload a new version that has an online leaderboard and stuff. Who knows?
We have our first comment here. Very fun, very cute. I love the art and the sound and the lighthouses.
oh, thank you so much for the comment.
I'm expecting somebody to comment now saying, "Where are the dancing lighthouses?" Thank you so much. I guess that was you, Shy Ryan. Thank you. Time to dive into the comments. Friar. Lol, I was dragging the mouse the wrong way. My buttons are always going backwards. That's also one way to win the game, maybe. Am I going to click this link then?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
I was just noobing out with
Did I get a high score of 1,000? I'm proud of myself. I'm taking a screenshot of this.
the YouTube URL.
Is it which the screenshot button again?
There we go.
There you go. I'm taking a screenshot of my very nice.
We haven't really tested what's our maximum high score on this game.
I've already beaten your score, I'm afraid.
Oh.
But I got
here we
like
go.
the highest score I've seen was like 2,300 or something.
Okay. Somebody's been working hard.
Nice. So he's like, hey, you play the game the way you want. Well, it doesn't get you that far.
This
But you get to
is
see lighthouses.
this is what Bismaster was talking about. I remember this.
I remember this now.
Oh wow.
Oh man.
Yeah.
And Z's girlfriend is actually in chat. Hello, thanks for letting us steal your boyfriend for such a long time. You've done great work, so thank you.
Yeah. I've been so happy
Yep.
working with Z. He's been an
Oh, yeah.
amazing teammate.
We feel sorry
Yep.
about his friend visiting now because we've stolen him most of the time.
Yeah, I hope, was it Kjetil? I hope he's not too upset. Only if anything, he's joining us here in stream today.
He's still asleep.
I love this. I love
We already have permission to borrow him again, I think.
That's been the premise of this whole game jam, is that Z's had a visitor this entire week, his friend.
On Monday, yeah.
Every morning, Z's been up at like 7 or 8 o'clock and been working until like 10 a.m. until his friend wakes up. It's like, okay, I gotta go off now. I've done my work session for the day. And it's been like this game jam is the premises of his sleeping friend.
You need to give your friend lots and lots of treats now, Z. You know, you need to make sure he's happy. You need to take him on that Moss Ferry.
A lot. He bought like 2 kilos of like those mini hobby chocolates.
Whoa. What? I don't think I could handle it. Have you guys been to Sweden to buy them?
No. It's
No,
still closed.
It's still closed.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Oh, we have permission to steal Z again.
Yes.
You do it again. Oh, thank you so much.
Lincha, I hope you have a lovely trip across with the Moss Fair again, and remember to buy a svele.
Yeah, or pulsy waffle.
Pulsy waffle.
Pulsy waffle. And please send a picture on Discord for it.
Because I'm still upset that I haven't had one.
Yeah, we want evidence of the pulsing waffle.
Ew!
Wait a second, we're not translating pulse. For those who don't know what the word pulse is, it's sausage in Norwegian.
Is that sausage and waffles?
Yeah,
Let's confirm
sorry,
it.
I should
It is, yeah.
be better at remembering when we're using
Because
Norwegian
apparently
words.
it says it's a speciality on there, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try it out then, you know.
I like that Queen fan, yeah. It's that sausage and waffle. Where are you from, Queen fan? That's awesome.
Shy Ryan's asking, how was it working with Snuti guys? Were they stern?
No, it's been great. They've done a lot of great work, and it's been lots of fun to do this jam with them. So yeah,
They have so many good
Say more,
ideas.
say more.
10 out of 10 would do it again. So
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, thank you so much, guys.
Queen fan lived in Sweden, but from Belgium, so I can speak a bit of Swedish. That's awesome.
Oh, that is awesome. Ah, nice.
So you know your pulse and you hi.
maybe you can
don't.
even speak some Dutch to me.
Yeah, that's a good point. I can't help you out there, though.
No, we're lost there. Stern like Bowen Stern. Well, I think I was pretty like, you know, stern as well. So I was just like, yo, guys, we've got to make sure we do this. And yeah.
I heard that, you know, during pregnancy, you're supposed to have relaxing time and not try to get too stressed and everything. Game jams are a bad idea.
I know, it was my idea, so that's the thing. Nobody else is to blame apart from myself.
Exactly. You
So,
put yourself
we
into
have
this
evidence on last week's stream.
live of this happening.
We should do a game jam before the baby comes. It would be a great idea.
It was the best idea ever.
It really was. And thank you so much for following Queen Fran.
Thank you.
That's awesome to have you here. Thank you so much. And for anybody hanging out there, you're also welcome to join Snootyland Discord channel. And
Let's hope this game idea doesn't get shark. Well, the thing is that Z has a shark icon, so
it does get shark.
it does get, yeah, it did
We were so close to putting sharks in the game, though.
with laser beams.
Yeah, we were. That was part of the game mechanic idea. I mean, like, in terms of game mechanic, we had a long list,
They had a long list. Yeah.
but we ended up with much fewer, obviously, because it's a jam.
It's a jam. Jams are supposed to be short.
Yeah.
I think we managed to add a tutorial screen now.
Yeah, I think it's quite good.
I love this wind, and I love making the sound effects for this. I just love it. Oh, that's me sending a message saying that we
To future self.
to future self. I love that.
Claire had a scheduled message to herself just pop up.
I love that.
Yeah.
I was in Telegram's schedule feature now, and it's like, too many
I
syllables.
wonder how many submissions there have been.
Well, we won't know until.
Because a lot of
An hour
people I've
54.
seen have opted out of not submitting.
Really?
Yeah. Quite a few people I've been speaking with have been like, I overscoped or like didn't work
Yeah,
out.
but that
And you know
always
yourself
happens.
as well, you'll be participating in jams by yourself, doing it solo. It's often hard to commit fully.
It is, yeah. We were grateful that we could work as a team because we wouldn't have been able to pull this off without that.
This game would not have been without a full team and everyone's effort.
Even the lighthouses.
I'm surprised also how much work the menus were.
Oh man, yeah.
The UI work in this game is incredible. Thank you, Nick.
And
Yeah.
thanks for Claire for designing it. So
Yeah,
and maybe
I
it's
think
just because I make it look a lot more difficult than it has to be. But yeah, it was a lot of work.
Looking at some of your code,
Yeah.
maybe.
maybe. There was a few
Should do
pointers
a
there. I was like,
code review.
gonna have to give you some pointers there, Nick, next time.
Yeah. Nick's very skilled in C#, but Unity, you have ways to go. But that's
Yep.
how it should be, right?
But that's how you learn.
That's how you learn.
Yeah.
And if you want to learn,
So what did you
Unity-
say, Z? I didn't hear it.
We should have a code review.
Yeah, we should.
I think actually a lot to learn from that.
Yeah.
So we can schedule that tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Or maybe
Yeah.
that'll be next stream, I don't know. Now, probably best to do a call, just call no stream.
Code review on stream. Yeah, I'll be
Because then we can all learn a few things from each other.
Sure.
'Cause I've learned a couple of things also just looking at your guys' code. Things that I never thought of doing in a certain way, but
Yeah.
not always understood the reason why you done some things.
But it's also like under constant pressure to deliver. So I
Yeah.
could have probably figured out how to mix or sequence a bunch of do-tweens with other code. But I figured, well, I'll just write the animation code just from scratch and have it done in like a few minutes. So that leaves you with a lot of variables and stuff and code that you might take you a longer time to understand, but it works. So, and it was fast.
Yeah, and also like the solution. When you have one boat remaining, all the storms will spawn on that one boat.
Poor little
Poor
boat.
little boat.
I did atrocious.
Yeah.
I can imagine it'd be busy. It's all you can do to keep your head above water by the end. Oh no, sharks with laser eyes!
Sorry, I haven't been reading
vodka.
chat.
The water sound is so calming and the wind blowing the ship's ever is so stressful. Don't know how to feel.
Oh, we hadn't scrolled chat.
No.
Oh, sorry guys.
That's for next time. The sharks. This game gets a seal of approval.
Ah, what
You'll
a
have
seal.
a whale of a time.
Whale of a time.
Aw, Bizmaster is the pun master today. We should get a pun master hat and give it to Bizmaster. I'm working on writing a game about a toaster that wants to destroy the world in automatic fire, which is based on the toaster from Old World Blues and Fallout New Vegas. It's not super cute in practicality, but I think a toaster that wants to toast the world is pretty cute.
That sounds
Put a
cute.
smiley on it.
Yeah, put a smiley
Put a
on
smiley
it.
on it.
Oh, he's gotta
Makes
be happy.
everything cute.
Even if he's going to destroy the world.
Love it. Where's Maurice? He's in his crate over there.
You know what? There's one way to summon him.
There is one way to summon
That's to redeem dog treats.
him. Yes.
Or bits and tips and subscriptions, but
Some bits
whichever.
and tips.
Yeah.
And if they get treats, then
Friday's asking for code review stream. I don't think we're going to do code review stream.
Well, maybe Nick will take that so that everybody can. Nick, you need to raid. We can raid you. You need to stream right now so we can raid you and do a code review stream.
I think he needs to go back to his family.
Oh no.
Yeah,
No.
it would be nice, but yeah, I need to go back in a bit.
No.
But yeah, everybody's happy. I think we can do a code review stream some other time. So if you, I see you already pasted the link.
I have.
Yeah.
That's Nick's
Thank you.
stream right there. He's been streaming every night this week. I'm so proud of you, Nick. I'm so surprised as well that you managed to stream every work session you had. We've not done that. I haven't felt like like I've been able to because I was planning a stream like Wednesday or Thursday, but we were like, no, we need to focus.
Yeah, I try to just focus during stream, and when I finish something, go back. And you've been there a few times and helped me to look at chat some more. But it's been really fun to actually stream the development and get some work done. So yeah, I don't think it slowed me down by a lot, and I had a lot of fun doing it. So.
Yeah, we just had to like WhatsApp you message like, look at the chat.
Yeah.
Like when you were trying to fix a bug at the same
bot.
time. Oh, sorry. You first.
No problem. Yeah, I'll write a Twitch bot so that people can summon me away from my focus. So yeah, and actually, yeah, I'm a Dutchie. I'm from the Netherlands. Queen Fran the First.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
So we should also do
you-
some promotion now, I think, to like
I've
post the
got,
game to.
I've got a tweet ready. I just need Chris to make a
good.
GIF.
Okay. Am I making a GIF?
You're making a GIF. I
What
did ask you earlier, but we
What should we make a GIF of then?
we should make it of the chaos. Oh, I did have one the other day. It was really cool.
Okay.
We'll just make a GIF live on stream then.
But we gotta make a.
This is how you do social stuff. Don't pirate this game. We needed a pirate hat. Oh, we missed pirate hats. Oh. Is this
That could
normal?
have been cute to like make all sorts, different kinds of ships, like a pirate and a sailboat, and yeah. But that's a feature creep again.
That's a feature creep.
But maybe if people really like the game, maybe we'll be motivated to do all sorts of stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
So everybody go rate and play it and let us know what you think. So.
Yes.
Yes, please do, please do.
Yeah.
And if you wonder where the link is, it's here. It's the itch link to our itch page where you can find our game and go play it. And then remember to rate it once it's out.
Yeah, I'm giving Z stress. I can tell from the chat.
Yeah, well, you have 2 hours left, so
We're done
yeah.
now. We're done.
Yeah.
It's like, let me rest, please.
Yeah, like my first priority is like not think about this game for a little while.
Just make a GIF, post it on Twitter, and we're done.
Oh, maybe this will make for a good part of the GIF is to have record a 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Use some wind effects.
Pause that. And then.
This is how we use screen to GIF. Hey Maurice, can you come back? He's actually walking around. He's right next to the dog camp. DXC, he heard you wanted him back, and he's back again. Hello, good morning, everybody. I'm gonna be facing towards the wrong area, so hello, good morning.
It's actually too bad that the camera pan starts before the countdown, because having those mixed look even better. But yeah.
Yeah. You know, the camera pan is actually not something I made. It was an accident. It's basically automatically between Cinemachine when you turn a camera off, it just does that by default.
Yeah, but it looked so awesome the first time that I had like the 3 fade to nothing, and it was timed on that camera fade. That effect just looked so cool. But
which means that we should make the tutorial not have switched camera mode. But yeah.
Yeah.
Details.
Does Snuti have a meaning? Well, yes, it does. The first Norwegian word I learned was snutta, which is a dog's nose. And I thought it sounded really cute to just change it into Snuti, and it ended up being our kind of nickname for each other, and now it's our company instead. So, yeah.
Exactly.
I love how Bismarck says, yes, they have a porpoise.
A porpoise? That's awesome.
But not sure to be truthful. Boop the Snuti! I can boop the Snuti here as well. And I actually put the Snuti over
Trying
there.
to line up the boats for the finish line here.
I'm just gonna give the dogs a treat because they've been fantastic this week as well.
Okay, I think we have our GIF here. Now I just need to edit a bit here.
Have you seen a very happy Winky?
Oh, should I switch to dog cam?
Have you seen a happy Winky?
It's Claire from Ireland. No, she's from Wales. But yeah, see, Cardiff. That's where she's from. Yeah, so her family lives there, and we often travel to visit Cardiff.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Oh, what a kitty pee.
Right? Kan du gide opp? No, that's give you some. Winky. Get up. Come on. Get up. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Get up. You kind of did it. You half-assed it, Mark. Oh, you was terrible.
It was tricky, mommy. It was tricky.
Yeah, it was tricky. Yeah. Oh, look at these cutie peas, huh? Yeah, you guys have been fantastic this week, huh? Giving us company, giving us snuggles. Oh.
Is it now that we're gonna make a trailer? There was no response to the trailer suggestion.
No, I think that was like, no. Morris is like, yeah, Winky, we need more treats. Oh, she got like the treat stuck again. Just you can see her doing that thing again.
Oh.
Oh, she's adorable.
I'm
And thank you, Queen Fran. The doggos are very happy to hear that they're cute. They like being cute.
So I think this worked actually. Yeah, I think that worked.
Winky, did you get that treat stuck like properly, or are you just enjoying it? Just enjoying it, huh?
There's
Yeah.
63 frames there, and if I take this first 19 frames and reduce the frame, I'm just trying to figure out if reduce frame count does. See why remove 2 frames.
Ooh.
Maybe 3 frames even.
Trailer with Inception music. Oh man, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, that works. Okay, so I can select a range of numbers here.
Oh really? And then just decrease
And
the
I
frame
can
count.
just reduce the frame count for this section of the thing. So if I do now reduce frame count by a factor of 1, remove every 2. So now the 3 to 1 has very few frames. 3, 2. But okay, but we need to speed that up then.
How's the weather in Norway? Here it's been 37 today. Way too hot. It's been warm. But then again, I'm kind of biased right now because
You're heated from the inside.
I'm used to it.
Put it that way. I mean, it's crazy how warm Claire is. I'm like, I think it's cold, and she's like, I got the fan on.
And I'm not a big fan of heat. So yeah. But we've got Fan. He's over there. He's been great.
He's our number 1 fan.
He's our number 1 fan.
Yeah.
There you go. Bismas is gonna be so happy with the puns here as well. But it's been quite nice. But it's been warm, like 26 degrees yesterday. It was a bit too warm. So the doggos normally have early morning walks.
We're complaining about 26 degrees, Claire.
Yeah, I know. And then we'll be complaining when it's minus degrees. So yeah, just feeling the heat for truth. Yes, I give everything for 26 degrees.
I bet. There's a lot of people here suffering from it a lot worse than us.
I know. But right now, for me, it feels like 36 degrees. So
yeah,
I think he needs water. Everybody with the puns, everyone loves it. This is why I couldn't function when we were in Spain in summer. Oh man, that was no fun.
I'm gonna delete some frames here.
There's a lot of typing, Nick. What you typing?
I was just I was seeing the Yummy Brown Brothers and Eden having problems with their WebGL builds, so I was
so you're helping them
telling
out.
them about our story, and give them like a hint to maybe run the debugger attached and see if they can find what's wrong.
Good man.
I was telling them how good Z was to find the race condition. So.
Exactly.
Yeah. Fryer says anything over 20 is too much. Summer is awful. Fryer, I feel with you.
Fryer is Swedish, so yeah, no. He also got that Scandinavian coolness.
Yeah, one thing I like about when it's cold, at least you can put more clothes on. It's fine. You can heat yourself up, and you're fine. In summertime, it's just like I can't take everything off. That's impossible.
Yeah.
You can, but not on stream.
Well, I don't like doing it in the apartment neither. So, but definitely not on stream.
Yeah, managing heat is hard because I'm really happy to have like AC in here, but even my head, it just gets so hot. So I'll be sitting here with like freezing hands and still having a boiling head. So yeah,
no good.
And Krister is like this hot water bottle. He like is always like
built-in
really
heat.
warm, and it's just like he'll snuggle me or something. I'll be like, "You're too warm, go away." And I'm like, I love you secretly, but you know.
What was the requirement again for each page GIFs? Wasn't it like 3 megabytes?
It was really tiny. It made me cry.
I think it was 3 megabytes.
I think it was.
Which means I probably need to divide this up to multiple GIFs.
But this might work. This is 13 MB.
Yeah, so that works for Twitter.
That works for Twitter.
Let's play it back and see if it was something we liked though. Is it a good game trailer?
I actually moved to Sweden for the weather. The boyfriend back then was a bonus. We were lucky.
Oh, the color's almost gone.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, that's a terrible looking GIF.
That's a terrible looking GIF, yes. Just for the colors more than anything else.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that's why it was a few megabytes.
Let's try and fix that then.
Yeah.
We could also make the middle part a bit shorter, I think, as well. Being an American, I'm really only used to temperatures in Fahrenheit, so all these numbers look really cold to me.
I can imagine.
Yeah, we're not used to Fahrenheit at all.
No.
Not in Europe, so I never know how to convert them.
Yeah.
If Ryan was here, then he would be able to. It's freezing in Europe all the time. America's got those MMO numbers. I don't get it, Spinny.
Sampling.
Are you using the neural network? Yeah.
A value factor of 1 with a better looking GIF, but slower to render.
Maybe you need to put it higher. That's 1. That's 5 though.
Ah, yeah, so lower. Because it's okay. I don't think you should put it too low.
Maybe it's the colors.
Yeah, but I don't think we can have more colors. Wonder if you had to divide it up.
Maybe. The MMO damage numbers are always really big. Okay. That's true until they clamp them down and make them smaller.
Squash MMO,
Squash
the
them.
big MMO squash.
Big MMO squash. I think some of these
You
can be
could-
also shorter.
You could try the APNG, which is animated PNG, so you have a lot
But
more
does
color space.
Twitter
But I don't know how
support
it's
that?
supported.
No, that's the thing
No,
with
I
the
don't
support
think
for
so.
those. I think it's terrible.
Uh,
There's a reason we use GIFs even though it's not the most optimal format.
Let's see that. APNG Twitter.
Claire's researching.
Twitter bans animated PNG files from Mac rumors, so I guess not. Yeah. That's from Engadget, The Verge, so I guess it's not a possibility then. GIFs are literally the worst format for animated images online. I don't know why they're still the most used format for that.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
thing. It's like, but actually, the funny thing with Twitter and GIFs is that they're up to 15 megabytes, and then they convert them to MP4s, and that's what's
That's what
actually
she said.
displayed to the users.
Yeah.
But you still
Yeah.
need to upload a GIF for it to loop correctly. So it's why can't I just upload an MP4?
Yeah, like it's 370,000 degrees today. That's a lot of degrees.
I think you got your conversion off.
To be fair, I think the imperial system is one of the biggest mistakes we ever made. Why do we have to measure things completely different than the rest of the world? Plus, the imperial system is much more confusing. Who knows how many cups are in a gallon? But it's also the same as well in the fact that in the UK, you drive on the left side of the road. And in all of Europe, you drive on the right side of the road. Why?
see it, but it has it baked in the right side. So yeah, should have known right away.
Exactly. So, yeah,
But
no,
we
that-
shouldn't
that's
get into this because it will start a flame war, I think.
It's not very productive discussion.
It's always a confusion though whenever we'd go to France, because I used to go twice a year with my family. We'd drive
Ooh,
there.
Gifsky did it much better.
Nice. And they would always confuse us when we were at Calais, just like getting off, like, which side of the road, which side of the road, which side of the road?
Yeah.
The left side of the road.
Yeah, I remember that from my parents. It's really stressful. And like
Is
the first 2 hours that you're there and you go to somewhere and you get back in the car, because when you get in first, you're like very focused. I have to do this correctly. But then you get comfortable and get back in the car. It's like, oh shit, other side. Yeah.
Yeah.
Had a few of those moments.
Yeah. It's a little bit stressful. And especially since as well as that the steering wheel is on the opposite side as well. So it's just like just even more confusing, and yeah. I don't think I could drive in Britain anymore.
Well, time to start my day before it gets too hot. All right, have a nice day, Queen. It was lovely having you here on stream. Thank you
Yes,
for hanging
very
out.
nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for helping us with the game jam and being here and motivating us.
Yeah.
Have a really lovely weekend and week ahead.
Yeah, it's been nice having you. Thank you.
Have a good one. See you another time. Enjoy. That's a very good looking GIF, Krister.
Or is it pronounced GIF? It's not pronounced GIF, it's GIF. Come on. Whoever wants to take that discussion.
Funky Monk says, driving on the left side would be terrifying for me. It is.
That's how every holiday is for
Yeah.
us, except I don't go driving there.
No, I
I've
don't.
been asking class
The thing is, I
did
did my driving test over in the UK, so I was, yeah.
Took a bit getting used to be in Norway, but you
Yeah, I
mean,
did. It was really like, I didn't have the right, what's it called again? Spatial awareness.
yeah,
the
you
same
positioned the car poorly in the lane because you were
Yeah.
used to having the steering wheel on the opposite side, yeah.
I was like,
Okay, so this GIF I made now is 19 megabytes.
GIF is cleaning stuff.
No!
Oh, don't start Snuti. That's all I'm gonna say about it. Couldn't let that one go. Now I'm really going. Bye. Bye.
Bye!
Making a jiffy in a jiffy. Giffy in a jiffy. That's a new tongue twister.
By the way, we already have 2 ratings on our game.
Woo!
Nice.
It hasn't even been submission time. I mean, like, they're not rating for the jam, though.
Ah, okay. That's
I don't
still
think-
nice to have.
Because nobody can go into the submissions yet. Because I will normally in game jams you'll see the submissions like as they're going along, so you'll see how many people have submitted. But this one doesn't have that, so who knows? Who knows how many people have said you did?
I think I'm gonna delete these first frames.
GIF stands for graphics interchange format. That's all I'm gonna say.
Which means, yeah, GIF.
GIF.
Graphics interchange format, GIF. Yeah. There's no J in there.
Nice graphics in this game.
Who's printing?
Graphics?
No, that's my coffee machine that's turning off and cleaning itself. Sorry.
That's fine. You're making me thirsty now. I'm probably making the rest of the stream thirsty as well.
Yeah, I made a cappuccino for myself to get started before looking into the error because I needed like a little boost.
That was the sacrifice you had to make.
Sacrifice.
You've been cutting down the cappuccino, but not this morning.
Yeah.
It's not that
Also,
good.
did you know that actually the reported creator of the file format actually says it should be pronounced GIF?
Really?
Maybe since he did that is why it's caused so many issues.
Oh, hello, Polar Junction! He's gonna fire up his coffee machine too. He has been motivated by you, Nick, and half of that link didn't work.
Oh.
Bad looks of it, Nick.
Yeah, but it's a hashtag, so it doesn't matter. I think that they made a weird,
okay.
weird link for, and it's behind the paywall. So never mind.
Never mind that link. All right.
No, it's Jame, not
It's
Game.
really nice to see you here, Polar Junction. Thank you for dropping by.
It's Bracky's Jame Jam.
Jam Jam.
That sounds like robots taking off.
Jackie's Jam Jam.
Oh, if you change... God. We're only changing the G to a J, not the B.
We're going with the bees as
No,
well.
we're not going for the B's too. They're not that
Haven't you
big.
watched all the Jackie's video?
No.
The best tutorials on YouTube.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
The stream is
Oh man, I don't understand
great.
that. I'm not sure how many people know, but if you add like a dot after the fully qualified URL, the domain, it's still part of the spec, so it will render correctly. But usually, like JavaScript that runs on the page will break, and usually that's for paywalls and stuff like that. So if you use a link like that, the page will load without the paywall. So.
Oh, didn't know that.
I did not know that. That's
No.
fancy.
I learned something new today.
Okay, so you just put a dot after the UK.
Yeah, and it looks really funky and lots of stuff breaks, like the highlighting here in Twitch. But if you put it in your browser, it works like a charm, and it will mess up the cross-origin security thing. So external JavaScript might not be whitelisted and it won't load. So yeah.
Okay, here's Hacker Tips 101 from Nick.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm just going to try to find...
I hope you all harbor good feelings for this game.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh.
Yes, I'm going to put all my little boats in the harbor as well.
Jarry Jotter, you're a jizzard Jarry. What on earth? Harry Potter, you're a wizard, Harry.
This GIF is still 17 megabytes. We need to get it down another 2.
2 megabytes.
Yeah, but should we change the quality settings here from 80 rather than cutting frames now?
70, yeah.
So around at 70.
The Oxford
Just
English
make it-
Dictionary accepts both
Just make it 3 by 2
pronunciations.
pixels.
I
I
don't
don't think that's visible then.
bit poor resolution.
They're wrong. It's a soft G pronounced G. End of story. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Thanks, Nick, for contributing to the conversation.
Sorry.
All right, Funky Monkey, the link worked. That's great.
It's awesome. I love how Morris is governing. That's like chilling. Both dogs are like, okay. So they're both less stressed now. That's great. I love this new dog bed.
That's great. It's
It's
great
a dog
stream.
bed.
This is a great stream bed for the dogs.
Great stream bed for the dogs. It's so big. It was a good investment. Have you got big dog beds for your dog, Nick?
We saw a picture of it.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot that. 15.7.
15.7. So close. Let's see the quality first before I decide to reduce it further.
Oh, I'm gonna take a quick toilet break and I'll be back.
Okay, I'll be
back in a jiffy.
I'm exporting more GIFs in the meantime.
I'll be back in a jiffy.
See you in a Giphy.
I like that one.
stream bed comparable to the ocean streams in the game. Ah, that's a nice jog bed. Not the dog bed, jog bed. Missing all the G's today. Stream title: See you in a jiffy. Taking notes. Okay, that did not want to open. Let's try to open that again. Like the trailer. Thank you. It's very black at the moment. I guess you can call this GIF I'm currently making a trailer. Well, it doesn't include the logo though. Ooh, can maybe include like one frame of that. Yeah, we can reduce the quality even further. That's not gonna be a problem. I think I'm gonna try to insert a frame with the logo. Can we do that? So it says resale. Oh, the trailer before joining this Twitch room. Yeah, hello, Slappy Koala. Thank you for joining our stream, and I'm glad you liked our stream trailer. Not that many people watch our stream trailer. I put a lot of effort into that one. I think
the stream trailer.
Yeah. Yeah. Slappy Koala is joining us.
And good morning, Dr. Javasaurus as well.
Hey, Javasaurus, how are you doing?
Sappy koala.
I'm trying to find the UI logo for the game.
And Bizmaster is still going with the puns. The game is live, thank God.
Oh.
Good morning. Good morning.
They're missing all the G's now.
All the G's.
Can't type a sentence.
And welcome, Javasaurus.
Puns. Someone said puns. Yeah, we've been having a very punful stream.
Yeah.
So,
Do you want to move?
hej fra Norge. God morgon. Hello, Slappy Koala. That's also.
Hello.
That's great. We like our Scandinavians.
We do.
We're working on a game jam game. We just submitted it for the Brackey's game jam, and our team is with us, Nick, as you hear on the call.
They're on mic right now.
Hello.
And you have Z, who's also
Hi.
Norwegian. Yes, and we've been working hard the last 7 days.
Sleeping now.
Mm.
Now we're trying to make a GIF under 15 megabytes.
But I'm trying to add in the logo. How can I add one frame?
Isn't there just like the title frame? Can't you just use that, for example? Add a frame with a title on. Can you put an
image in?
No, apparently not. You can just draw it on.
That'd be bad. Because it's possible to add in if I have another video file or something. I know you can import.
Or can't you just get another, like, make a new GIF file or something? I can't see the chat again, so...
Sorry, I shouldn't do that. Yeah.
Ooh, puns! Someone said puns! That's literally my... weapon of choices to deal with social anxiety. Oh, God. Puns and missing J's.
That's a bad combination, guys.
Oh, I gave up my Bracky's entry, decided to focus on my mobile game instead.
Oh.
Wanted to see your entry, Dr. Javasaurus.
How was it? Did you overscope? Was it hard to scope a good game? Or, I mean, fitting game for a jam?
That's a lot of measure bytes.
Measure bytes.
Almost a gigabyte.
Wow.
No, I just got distracted. We working with more than one person, we're just trying to do it solo, Dr. Javasaurus.
Oh, I can do plus recording and just put up the in from the game.
Yes, from the game.
That's probably a good solution. Main menu. Yeah, there we go.
And just
Perfect.
do that. Will it overwrite what you already have?
If you see plus
Yeah,
and
okay.
non-plus.
And non-plus, yeah.
So I do plus there. And I think I'm gonna maximize that then. That's too big, too big.
I made a complete pull cord, I guess that's his pulley system.
All right.
And it worked, and then I was like, wait, what was I doing with this? So I made a proper rope system.
To get caught up in making the mechanics, you kind of forget about the game.
It's easy to happen. You're way too much, but yeah.
I think it's fine. Stop. Okay, I think that's fine. Okay.
So you're gonna add it to the end?
Yes.
Yeah.
There we go, we got some frames here. Can probably just leave it at 1 frame.
Definitely leave it at 1 turn.
And then I'll set that 1 frame to like last a long duration.
Well, if I need a
Have we
rope or
spent like
vine
30
system-
minutes on a GIF now?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I'll know what to do. Guess I got tied up a bit.
Yes, you did get
We've been too distracted by all the puns. That's what's been happening.
Okay, we're exploring next level GIF now. Did I need to make it smaller?
Why are you putting it at the end? You want to put it at the
I
end?
want it at the end.
Okay, you want it
So
at the
after
end.
you watched it, then you get the resale.
Resale. Just resale. The resale value is high on this one.
Yes, very high.
I love seeing in a Snuti land, there's lots of people which have like Twitch those on the side as well.
Ah, yes. Brainode, Herbster, Javasaurus, Joseph Develops, and Z, and Nick as well, but he's a mod, so...
He's a mod, so he doesn't have the funky purple icon.
Yeah.
But
And
yeah, I
thank
also
anybody-
sub. So.
Yeah, you also subbed. Thank anybody who's joined our Discord this morning. I'm talking about Discord. I can post a link to it in chat right now.
Ooh, I clicked on something, I think.
Careful not to go overboard with this GIF. Yeah, I feel like we're actually going overboard with this GIF.
yeah.
And the fact that... Oh, it's 14 megabytes, guys.
Nice.
14 megabytes.
Let's go. Let's go fishing.
Are we going to add this to the other page as well? Because I need to make it 3 megabytes.
I think it might be better to make it a video almost, if that's the case.
But is that impossible?
I don't... But yeah, you can make a YouTube video link, but that's it.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm too sleepy. Okay, we got like...
All Jame Dev is Judge Jame Dev. Oh man, this tongue twister, man.
You can do it, Claire.
I did it.
Okay.
Oh cool. Hopefully that game will get you dev career some extra wind in the sails.
Aww.
Wow, these puns today had me cracking up. Looks good. Aw, you guys are awesome with your puns today. I think we just gave you like, pun machine game.
Okay, so we have the tweet ready, do we?
We do have it. I prepped it. I'm good at prepping stuff.
I wonder if Z is falling asleep in the background.
Kinda.
Thank you for hanging out with us here,
For
guys.
keeping me awake, though.
The puns, yeah. All the puns.
Yeah.
There we go.
Just check that link works, because that's pretty sure that works.
Always gotta double check your links.
Always gotta double check links.
Recently updated this page, yes.
Consider posting a devlog update. No.
No. Well, we
I've
might be
Twitter
posting a
open
devlog
to
update.
retweet. So.
What are you saying, Nick?
Sorry, I have Twitter open to retweet when you have it live. So.
All right.
I love your gift to advertise, but I'd rather play it.
Well, you
Sun's
can
out,
now.
pun's out.
Okay,
There
post.
you go. I got the Brackey's game jam. Yeah.
Right.
We're tweeting, guys. And it's got screenshot Saturday. Woo.
Yeah, that's our screenshot Saturday this week. I need to post to Reddit as well.
Yes, you do.
But I'll be... Oh, that Reddit might be open for it.
Oh, yeah, now they are. I got all of the right tags as well. Yeah.
Yes.
I already got a like. I wonder who that's from. And a retweet. I wonder who could that possibly be.
Could maybe be Nick.
Could maybe be Nick. Oh, we got 2 likes. Oh,
Aw.
Ryan. Oh, you know what? You're getting a follow. There you go.
Thank you, Brian, and thank you.
Thank you.
Z was actually the one who did it.
Oh, Z was it? Z
It
first.
wasn't Nick.
Nick, you're too slow.
He's busy.
Yeah, I wanted to type something and
I
not just
would-
retweet it, but have something
Ah,
added to it. But yeah,
quality content.
it's done.
The team for this screenshot Saturday is called Visual Appeal on Reddit.
Ooh,
Which
ooh.
is very fitting.
Ooh. Like this.
Hmm?
I like that.
Yeah,
That was a very good one.
so we need to make a
You
poster.
need to have the tweet then.
I got it here.
Oh, you got it there.
Because you sent to me on Telegram.
Oh, it's only 1 hour and 19 minutes left.
Yes.
I like the fun.
We're not going to be live until it's
No,
finished.
we're not. No. I'm starting to get hungry.
I'm getting
so-
hungry and the dogs need to walk.
Yeah. It's actually
My
overcast
puppy needs
today.
a cuddle.
Yeah, you need to get
Can you walk
back
the
from
doggo
office.
yet?
No, I took him outside, like in the yard for a bit, the garden. But nah, he's too small. I think he can walk for like 8 minutes at this age. So
Yeah.
I'm just we spent all that playing, having the kids play with them. You know.
Yeah. That tires him out enough.
Yep.
1 hour left, plenty of time. I can postpone making a game for another 20 minutes or so.
You
I
can do
still
it, Dr.
submit.
Jarvis.
Yeah, I can do it,
do
Jalosaurus. Believe in you. Thank you for hanging out with us, Nick. But you know, I hope your wife doesn't get upset with us for keeping
Well,
you.
that's why I should got the puppy for the time being.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure they have a grand time at home.
That was the whole plan of why I was gonna have it on the
Yeah.
Friday, just before the game jam finished. So it's like distraction. If your wife's listening to the stream, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No
It's
problem.
a special case today, right? It's an exception.
Yeah.
One of my friends made a game in 20 minutes for a jam. It was Pong, but the ball kept spawning because it was bugged.
Wow. If you make a game in 20 minutes, that's quite impressive. Have you guys seen Jonas's video on making 50 games in one day?
Oh man, that was just insane.
Yeah. If not, go and check out Jonas' channel, Jonas Tyroller. It's some epic stuff. Nick's a mod there on his Discord.
Oh, and
He challenged his community to do the same, and there were multiple people that actually uploaded videos, also creating loads and loads of games. It was really crazy.
We're not doing that, Claire.
but I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining us, DXZ. You have a fantastic day as well, and fantastic weekend and week ahead of you.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much.
So you said have a fantastic stream and rest of your day.
Thank you.
I'll probably be snoozing and losing, to be honest. Well, I didn't like that challenge. She cheated. Have you heard of Buildbox? No. Have you heard of
Nope,
Buildbox?
not heard about it.
Oh, no. Aren't you supposed to just post a tweet?
Yeah, but you can write a little bit as well.
Okay, come on. No. I should probably just, like, play the game.
That you can.
I was playing it in the editor. Because I like playing it in the editor.
Works well in the editor.
Yeah, we had a grand plan to put, like, one of the blue berries into the game. But,
That didn't happen.
that didn't happen. It's like, nah.
Buildbox is used to develop games without coding. Alright, that's interesting. By using boxes. Okay. Cool.
That's super neat.
Yeah, there's a lot of good alternative approaches for being creative and making playable things. We've used actually Scratch quite a bit ourselves.
Yeah, we did.
We had some courses on it as well. We were teaching a group of children.
Kids, how to scratch and how to code. That was fun.
Yeah.
Whoa, what on earth is going on there? There needs to be a jam where you get to practice before it starts, but then need to make that game from scratch in 10 minutes. That is a really cool jam idea, Fryer. Fryer, you need to start that jam.
Isn't that a bit like they actually do, like at the gathering and stuff, where they have those competitions? I think it's called compos, where you basically make this graphical thing. I'm not the right person to talk about. You know probably better than I, Z.
I never participated, but I know what you mean.
Can you describe it better than me?
Well, there are different kinds of compos, like the 64K compo, where you have to make an executable that's less than 64K, and they're typically made with OpenGL, I guess.
What?
Yeah. So it's quite impressive restrictions, but I think the people there, like, they know their techniques, and then they have like a few hours to execute on it, and they like will make something original in a short amount of time.
That's not 50 games. Alright, getting close to 2 a.m. here. Congrats on the submission. The game looks great. Good night. Thank you so much, Shy Ryan, for joining. And for posting the comment and everything. That was really nice of you, and for playing the game. We hope you have a really nice weekend and a really nice week ahead as well.
Should we just post this on Reddit? I mean, it's not the perfect text here, but I think it'll do the trick.
Do they have any Reddit handles?
No, but I think it's fine. It's linked to the Twitter tweet.
I don't really use Reddit a lot, but I think I have an account. But yeah, don't worry about it.
We posted it.
0 hour
Too
game
late.
jam is coming.
Sorry.
If you put a link in chat, we can upvote it for you.
Yay, I'll do that.
I created 10 games using Buildbox. It's awesome.
Wow.
That is neat.
That's a lot.
Yeah. If you join our Discord, you can post and share.
Yeah,
links.
and tell us all about the games you've been making.
Yeah. Tri Jam is kind of like a 3-hour jam, but you can practice a bit beforehand.
All
Me
right.
coming in here for the first time, and that trial is.
Hey, I'm glad you enjoyed it. It's
Thank
a bit of
you.
a different stream today because of, Jam
It's in January.
submission.
Yeah.
And last Saturday was a bit of a different stream because I was at our anniversary.
stream. Yeah.
Yeah. But maybe you should, like, for all the new people that join, maybe show a little bit of Mr. Pips.
Bit of Mr. Pips.
And I also made it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Pips can get some love, guys. Get some Pips love
Before we wrap up today's stream.
before we wrap up.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm just like, we need some smiles and Pips in our lives. Blueberries. Guys, wasn't I making a GIF a week ago? Yeah, you were Dr. Javasaurus. Didn't you post it on our Discord afterwards?
Yeah, I
I'm
think
pretty
so.
sure And good morning, neighbors. Good morning, Textbooks North.
Lynn is Thomas. No, Z, your girlfriend. She's off to Holmestrand. Have a nice weekend, everybody.
We'll wave as you drive past.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Have a nice time. It was nice for you to join as well.
Oh, Thomas is waving in chat.
Right.
You didn't want to do a personal shout out? Like, I love you. Miss you.
He didn't want to have more puns and cheese in the chat.
Only if you delete the stream footage afterwards. So
Aw, don't be so shy. I'm sure she would love some love from you.
she'll get plenty when she gets home.
Ninja, have a really, really nice weekend as well and a week ahead. And make sure that Z still has some treats for you when it comes, when you get back home.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna hide away something of Kettle's.
Take it.
Just sneak it while he's asleep.
Take a stash.
Are you jumping ship to work on Mr. Pips now?
No, we are
No,
jumping
we're-
ship to stop the stream.
Yeah, but we just thought we'd have some Pip time.
So if you're first time hanging out on this stream, I'll welcome you to the life of Mr. Pips. This is a game we've been usually working on for the last year.
Yeah.
Which is a little strawberry who's trying to find his place in life as he's rolling around in the world, meeting fruity and berryful characters, and also finding his Pip family right here.
Hello.
You okay, little one? Let's go. Follow me. Yeah, let's go, man. And now you have. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It's a bit buggy. He will come.
It's 7 foot.
Okay. There he is.
Yes.
There he is. Okay. This game.
Maybe he got inspired by our sailboat game.
Yes, I think that's the funny thing though. We worked on this game for almost a year now, and the sailboat game we made in 7 days is, I don't know, less buggy and almost more feature complete than this.
This doesn't have actually that many bugs. Actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just incredible what we pulled off in 7 days with the
Yeah.
resale game.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm really proud.
Good team effort, guys.
Give us a view of your deconstructed salad game.
Is that the way to ask for Mr.
it
Pips?
Pips?
Deconstructed salad game.
Every time it hits a rock, it's a rock and roll.
Oh, that made me hungry. I used to eat at a place called Walk and Roll.
Oh,
Me and
that
my
was a really good
favorite
place.
Italian friend, when we were in university, go down to Walk and Roll and have noodles.
In Swansea. Oh.
Chicken chow mein.
And
Yes.
then there's no berries harmed in the making of this game, right?
No.
No.
Only happy blueberries who like to queue because they want to go rafting.
Yeah. Should we maybe add that ocean shader on?
Nope, we're not changing the ocean shader from Mr. Pips.
Ah. And now he's off into space. The little Pips.
No. I hope not.
Hello.
We're gonna rip off some sailing mechanics for Mr. Pips.
I think we will leave these games as separate games.
Yep.
Preferable.
Now I'm just imagining just having this like tornado suddenly whip itself up on the sea and like, no! Mr.
Maybe in a
Pips."
few years there can be a crossover game.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, I mean, every game is going to have a Mr. Pips cameo in that we make, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah, sad we didn't get one in the resale.
I know.
There's still like 50 minutes, I think. No,
we're
an
not-
hour.
We're not doing
No,
another
no,
build,
it's fine,
guys. We're
it's
not doing
No,
another.
no, no.
My brain can't handle it.
We'll just Photoshop it in and be like, yeah. It's done.
I was here.
I was here.
Yeah, it said Photoshop it in.
Just plant a Mr. Pips flag on the highest mountain that we have in the game.
Yeah, I'm going to be included.
If we are doing an updated build, we should do that.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Mr. Peanut Butters, is this a crossover? This is what made me think of.
I'm not familiar with Mr. Peanut Butters. I've not seen that. I'm having a look at which streamers we can raid.
Yes, that's a good
If
idea.
you
I
guys
all
have
about
any raid suggestions, then please let us know.
Or else I just kick around this little.
Because I need to see who's streaming game dev, but probably not that many people. Maybe there's some people streaming for the Brackey's Game Jam.
It's from the BoJack Horseman.
And you're really making me want to stream now, but no, I'm not gonna do it.
You can stream for like 20 minutes or something. You'll be like, yay, hi Jack. Woo. I like that. Oh no, is this gonna be another featured group? Can I play Raft Ball? Yes, I can. Krister, featured group.
Play Raft Ball?
Raft Ball.
Oh.
Gonna kick it into the goal.
How are you going
It's
to be
gonna be like in
scoring it?
short hike,
Yeah.
Like,
I found my first game developer streaming, but I think he's streaming in Chinese. Where are all the game dev streamers?
game dev streamers.
There's a guy called Justin Akara that's streaming making an MMO in Unity. I want to watch that.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna have a look at his channel.
Might be a very long stream.
The never-ending stream.
Murder at Lonely Crag Lighthouse, a Detective Pips game. Oh, I like that, Spoonie. Ooh, that's a good idea.
What's the... how do you actually spell that? See.
Hang on.
Is it with funny letters in the word?
Nope. It's just straightforward. Justin Akara.
Oh, I missed the second word.
It's a great show for big kids only though. Sorry, Pips. Aww.
Aww.
Oh my god, that is the future crossover title, Spoonie. Yes. It's a great idea. I'm not very good at making detective games though. We're gonna have to up our detective gameness.
Well, Nick's the master of that with his game he's currently working on.
Yeah.
You want to tell us about it, Nick?
Right, Snuti, I think they're doing a code review stream soon.
Yeah, I actually created a game before this called Whodunit, and it lets you use your powers of deduction to figure out who committed a crime. And it's on my itch page, so if you're seeing the sale page, I can link it in chat.
But you don't have any pips in it.
No, I don't have any pips in it. I'm sorry.
It's not good. That's not good. Pips
Maybe
Jam, where everybody makes
I'll
Pips
also do that for
crossover
an
games.
update.
Chris, you heard this?
Yes.
Pips Jam.
Pips Jam. Or will it
When
be
we're like way more popular, then we can have a Pips Jam.
Snuti Jam.
Ooh, I like the sound of that.
Yeah, Snuti Jam sounds good, doesn't it?
Because you can also probably use Morris or Winky as well. It's characters. Yeah, it's up to you. You choose. But it's got to be a character.
Maybe in 2 years' time, or more. We'll
Sounds
get
like a plan.
Yeah. I think that's a good suggestion. Thank you, Z. We will go with Justin.
Yes.
Cool.
And then we will start wrapping up and calling it a day. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us.
Yes,
It's been awesome and stressful and awesome and added dash of stressful again.
Yeah. How would you summarize your week, guys?
Awesome.
Not sleep deprived or anything like that? No,
Nah,
it was worth
you
it.
you forget the bad stuff and stay with the glory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You remember the good stuff.
Yeah, not the arguments you had with your friend or anything like that, right?
No, there was no arguments.
That's good. That's good. I'm glad to hear
And
that.
Bismarck
What do you say?
Bismarck asked where he could post Mr. Pip's fan art, and yeah, the Discord link is a perfect place for that. So
Exactly.
go put your fan art there.
Absolutely.
I'm just seeing Bizmaster making this, the Mr. Pip's detective game and everything, and there you go.
We save every little bit of fan art we receive from Mr. Pips and treasure it. So
Even we've got one from Rock Metal where it says, it's got the logo of Doom on it with Mr. Pips on.
Yeah, Mr. Pips in Doomland.
Yeah.
Show off the best ones next week on stream.
Yeah. If you guys go crazy, absolutely we will.
That was the required response.
Yeah. But thank you so much, guys, for hanging out. I'm gonna throw the credits on now, so the music is up a bit.
I think the music's a bit loud.
I can turn it down today. There we go. That's probably easier for you guys to listen to. And thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Yeah.
So hope you enjoyed the company of Nick and Z.
Yes. And Douglas.
Yeah.
And thank you to all of the new followers. You're awesome. Pip Slayer. Mush and blend until it is done. Don't tell Eileen that, Spoony, because that will be the next spin-off game from Mr. Pips.
Yeah. That might happen. Right, let's raid Justin Akura, and thank you so much for everyone hanging out and the people who's been with us on Discord.
Have an awesome weekend.
Yeah, have a great
awesome
weekend.
week.
And it's been an epic jam.
Yes, it's been an epic jam.
Shout out
no pun
to
intended.
Nick and Z for the legendary participation and
Yes.
crew team. Yes.
And enjoy Blueberry. I'm zoomed in on Blueberry Jam and there's no Blueberry Jam around here.
Well, close enough, right?
This is the jam. What happened there?
Yeah, I glitched it out.
Chris glitched it out, so yeah.
Okay,
This is jam.
have a good one. Let's raid now.
Thank you, team.
Bye-bye.
And have a great day.
Bye.
Till soon.
Yeah, that was awesome, guys. I'm really happy that we published.
Yeah, I think
that-
we stand a good chance, actually.
Yeah, I think so.